Hello, guys. Welcome back to the stream. I hope you all are doing work, doing coding, solving lead code problems, creating your projects, and all. And we are also doing the same. And welcome back to the stream. So, yesterday we have successfully established Yesterday, we have successfully established the connection and we were able to create our first MVP of the project. And I was really curious to see how the orders were looking in the app, and that is now possible. I have fetched all the orders, those are recent orders, and I am able to fetch all the orders inside one app. Now I am seeing so many problems like the testing wise. There are many scenes issues or things that I want to improve, just like this. So this orders app, you guys can see this orders API. Sorry, so this API is somehow not in the format of like I want it to be, because it doesn't have a pagination. It's supposed to have a pagination, so I need to create a pagination object in this one. Okay. So how the pagination object will work? It will only fetch first 10 records, 20 records as per the bandwidth. Uh, you guys can see my screen, right? You guys can let me verify the stream once if it's working correctly. Yeah, today's sound is perfect. Yeah, everything. You guys can hear me come. Okay. Music play. Okay, just because of this. Yeah. So music is on. As I was telling you guys, this is just a API that is which is fetching the actual orders. This is the core of our application, but the problem is it does not have a pagination. So I'm marking all those pointers which I want to improve. So let me first write it down. Uh, Add pagination to orders API, which means create global pagination interface. This is how I implement pagination in the application. So I'll use the most appropriate ways, and also this doesn't have payload and success status and all. So API fix the API response type. So the response should be like this. So response is like this. It will have many things. It will have like status. Status can be success, failed, like how we used to always do this. So payload is nothing but of type T. So type T is whichever the object that we want to send to the front end. Okay, object, and that's it. So these two things we actually want in the payload. The response, so in the front end should listen to response dot payload. So this is what front end should receive. So this is the first thing that I want to go and fix. Okay. Now let me log into the application again and see. So let me erase this login. Okay, it logged in directly. Sync force. So sync is being placed. Uh, why we need to show this sync in the front end side? I don't think we need to show the sync in the front end, or should we? It's okay, it's not a problem showing it in the front end, even though what any information that we are taking, which is like, okay, candidate 50, failed count 0, ignore count, last synced, outcome synced. Okay. So there should be a restriction on this sync call. No, but user refreshes it, then it should sync. So yeah, uh, it should be just in time. So this is fine. I don't have any issues with this one. Google API token is fine. This is fine. Then UI wise, there are some things. Now UI wise, what things we are missing out? The status should be at the end. That is fine. Mm, do we need more information on here? Let me paste this in the Discord that I'm live. So insight and all is secondary thing. The primary thing is this. I want my app to be usable. So there are some things like I don't want to see Instamart orders, but I'm not sure about other people. I don't want to see my Instamart orders. I want to see my Netflix order as well. Like, uh, upgrade payment. This I don't want to see. This, for example, this is this shipment. So it's giving me this order ID, 160, which is fine. Okay, so this is fine. Twelve 31 p.m. It's still checking on the last email, which received on 7:38. But the recent email it did not track, which we received it on. हाँ भाई एयरपोर्ट के बाजू में रहता हूँ ब्रो. Yes, I live right next to the airport, and it is a military airport, bro. I can literally see the Air Force flights taking off from here. You guys can understood like what I've did here. So this was the like since months I wanted to have this like working, and now finally I can see it working, and I'm really happy. Now I'm just figuring out what all mistakes that I'm doing, and I want to fix some of the things, but the basic core feature is like working. I just want to do a little good out of it. Let me play some good playlist. You guys have any good songs that I can listen to? Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir, bro. How are you? How are you, topper? It got the 738 wala email, which is the older one. I'm thinking why it did not pick the 3rd August wala. What about this? It picked the first order, 1st August wala order. Hey, I archived the email. So it is the Google itself is combining the multiple emails. So the first email that I got, the recent email that I got is on August 3rd, but it's saying August 1st, which is shift. But the recent one is, so this is a mismatch. Anime lo-fi. Oh, okay. I can listen to lo-fi songs. मैं बहुत ही वियर्ड टाइप के गाने सुनता हूँ भाई. आइटम सॉन्ग सुनता हूँ मैं. Studying along with you, Sarji. Nice. I want many of you to do that. Study along with me. हम भी आज पढ़ाई करेंगे, थोड़ा सा लीड कोड सॉल्व करेंगे ये होने के बाद. Once we figure out all the issues that we want to work as the second step in this SaaS. Akash Dhama, new year. Can you tell me? Can you tell what are you building? Yeah, sure. So bro, I'm building an Orders app over here. This is to tackle the shopping problem that I have. I shop so much from the Instagram, so you can see my inbox. I have so many different orders right now in my inbox. So I wanted to combine all the orders at one place, so that I can have the real update which orders are coming to me today. This is what I actually wanted to know. Plus the OTP, if particular order needs an OTP, it should show the OTP, because at the time my life is like so running, so I don't want to search through 1,000 different places where is the OTP and all. I want it at one place. So this is what I'm doing. And plus in the MVP, subsequent MVPs, I'll just maintain this how much I'm spending. At least I can track how much I'm spending on all the shopping. So I should be aware of what I'm doing over here. The core feature is this: bring all the orders at one place, and that part is working. So you can see all the orders that I've placed recently has been coming here. The problem right now here is there is no pagination. It is working only for the recent orders. So I'll add the pagination as the next step. This is what I'm taking out as the improvements now. पहला पार्ट हमने कर लिया है. नाउ द सेकंड पार्ट इज लाइक आई एम टेकिंग आउट द टेस्टिंग issues that I want to fix. Add pagination to orders API, fix the API response type, and yeah, add global error handling. That's not there right now. Add my I have my templates ready for all of these things, so I'm not going to build this from scratch. I'll just take out from older projects, add to this project, and just combine all of those things. So add एक सेकेंड ना. Add global error handling API side. And I have never seen people having some error locks on the front end side. If you guys have seen most of the products, the product that I worked on, we tend to have one notification pop up on the right, left, or bottom left, bottom right corner, wherever possible, to show any API is successful or not, if there is anything failing. But I don't think is it a good idea to show it on the mobile app, because a normal user wouldn't be able to capture all this in a smaller screen. So we will not show any orders. We will just gallop those errors on the front end side. So we will keep the errors and issues to us only. Okay. Hello Badal, how are you? Hi bhaiya, done with the hackathon, so exhausting. And they asked me that things which I listen for the first time, log files also. Yeah, hackathon से बहुत सारी नई चीजें पता चलती है. It's good. Even if I go to any hackathon, I learn so many new things. Why is life of Pune and Mumbai people so rush? I felt this when I went to Mumbai, bro. पता नहीं यार, ऐसे ही है. आई एम ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम मुंबई एंड आई एम वर्किंग इन पुणे, सो आई कैन टोटली रिलेट विथ योर कमेंट ब्रो. पर्फ. My life used to be like when I used to do internship at Siemens while in college. So I has to wake up by 6 uh, and take the local first local of 703 7 morning 703. If I miss that local and if I used to get local at 705, then I used to miss my breakfast at the company. It was so like minute to minute based. So front end side, do you guys think we need to have a logout page, profile page? So did we build any profile page in the UI? पिंजरा बनाया सोने का. Yeah, this page is important, you know. We need to give an option to disconnect these inboxes, connect, disconnect. Rohit Sharma I have added. So build profile page is the next thing for me now for the front end. So I will make these as complete tasks for me and I'll add it to the board and I'll pick one by one. If anybody actually want to work, they can work. But I want to work on this by myself. So profile page is what I need to build next. So let me write front end. Build profile page. Okay. Add multiple accounts or connect multiple accounts. Connect. I have made this app so simple. The first thought I came was so complicated and currently it looks so simple that I'm really proud of myself. Connect multiple accounts. And plus disconnect. Give option to disconnect. Disconnect the account. Okay, so this is okay. Insights and all this I don't really care about. I don't need these things. Now improve this files. So in this one, if we go and see this, kahan gaya wo? Yeah, search. We have this empty. कहाँ लिखा था यार वो config? Basically filtering of email accounts, that is what I want to fix. This happens because I use so much of AI. Now I have to go and search in my own code. Order email candidate finder. Yeah, this is the one. Guys, kindly like the stream. सीने में प्यार भर देना, आ जाना मेरी बाहों. भैया, how you manage your time like regular office streams? Bro, सब हो जाता है bro. You have to find something that you really like. If you find something in your life that you really like, then you don't need to ever think about the time, how would you manage time and all. You will automatically do all those things. It takes time, but once you find that what you really like it's really like has a definition. If I put like in other words, put it in other words, for example, think about something. If you are doing that for a while and you don't even look at the clock, like it happened with you multiple times, you sat for something and you worked on that and you enjoyed that and you didn't at all felt bored. So that's how you can find what you really like. You can explore that because work is the most prestigious thing that you will do. Study कितने साल करोगे? 10 साल, 12 साल, 15 साल. बाकी सब चीज़ें खेलना वेलना 2-3 साल करोगे. लेकिन काम एक ऐसी चीज़ है, it will start right after your college till you die. So you have to really think through it. Mumbai locals are freaking precise of time, like even the seconds are, yeah, precise. True, true. It used to stay only for 14 seconds. So if you are lucky, you get in. Okay, project looks very amazing, and I got so many questions in mind, like how you are the data from third-party apps like Amazon, Instamart, Flipkart. Bro, here is the data. You can see it. I don't have to go in the apps, bro, for that. In future, I can, but right now I can just look into the emails because every app is connected to the email, and whatever the data is present on email. And one feature that I'm providing here is add multiple emails. So I'm picking all those information from the email, bro. Mm, nice question, but Ritvik, I'm a new here. Are you vibe coding or building on your own? Also, what is the tech stack? I'm not completely vibe coding. Vibe code means that end to end you are giving it to AI and build it, but uh, I'm doing it like architecture I have built myself. Uh, some of the modules, the basic entity databases I have created by myself. If you look at this, so these things I have done by myself. UI also on pen and paper I did first, and then I gave those handwritten drawings to Claude, and Claude gave me the UI. These tables I have figured out by myself. I have gave because if I would have given this to AI completely, it would have created tens and hundreds of tables for me. बहुत सारे tables होते हैं, बहुत सारे connections होते हैं, ये वो no. I want to keep the things simple. So all the application, complete application is based on these four tables only. The basic, the simplest of the simplest form. So yeah, I'm using AI extensively, but wherever I want. Like I don't want to code many things by myself. AI can do that better, so I am outsourcing those things to AI. But I can build the system by myself very well. So that part is still with me. Guys, please do like the stream. I'm not seeing you liking the stream. Kindly make sure you like the stream. Working on data from these party apps, third party apps, you mean to say? Working on data from third party apps, yes. Not exactly, but through the email. Through the email. So I have written some templates. Right now I have deleted one because मैं तुम्हें एक sample दिखा सकता हूँ because I need to write such files more to identify such emails. And I'm only finding, only filtering from the last 45 days ka. I'll show you. See what I'm doing. I'm filtering. I have filter. Okay, so this filter, it has multiple conditions. That conditions will increase in the future, but right now it is like till last 45 days. Last 45 days wale. Plus there are some regex that I have given to it, like the email might contain order in the subject or in the text. The order field is there or order number is there. Okay, delivery status, and popular company names like Amazon. If the email is from Amazon, Flipkart, or even if the email contains Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, okay, all those things. So this list, it's up to me to grow. It will grow with the time. So based on these filters, a filter request would be sent to Gmail. Okay, and from Gmail I'm not getting the email, I'm getting a JSON. JSON is of type this, it has like ID and email ID, something is there, like only these two things. It's a JSON of this JSON. So multiple IDs I'll get from Gmail, and next time I have to just grab those IDs, make an email call, make an Gmail call, get the data, get email content, and convert it to order entity. Add to order, simply add to order table, and that's it. I'm just now from mobile application, I'm making an order API call, and that's what you are seeing on the screen. So this is this much simple, it's very simple. Guys, kindly like the stream here. Sleeping hours क्या है आपकी? I sleep at 2:30 and wake up at 8:30. Smart use of AI. People using AI like this won't get replaced by AI. Yeah. You have to be. You can't if you do complete वाइब कोडिंग ना, तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट बन तो जाएगा लेकिन तुम खुद नहीं समझ पाओगे कैसे. अभी भी मेरे लिए इट्स बीइंग डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कोड ही हैज रिटन, बट आई नो व्हाट आई वांट. तो आई after this testing phase I'll just start deleting the like the files that I really don't find useful, and I'll replace it with my files, because I have some projects which are created by my own. So I'll grab the template, the basic template, just like global error handling, filters, error handling, then proper response, success, failure responses. These templates I'll get, and I'll abide my complete application to follow these specific rules. So that's how it will work. ये कैसे मेरा स्ट्रीम मैंने एंड करा, आपका अपने आप चल गया. ऑटो प्ले चालू होगा ब्रो. नमस्कार दोस्तों, नमस्कार सर. Welcome to the stream. Sir, one more suggestion you can add to the project is that whichever order is important can be highlighted, or else it can appear on the top. Orders like medicines or any other things which are important. Yeah, good suggestion. Or maybe I wanted to highlight the orders which are about to ship today, like the orders which are gonna deliver today. So this is a good suggestion, Perf. Thank you. गाइस यार लाइक करो यार स्ट्रीम को. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, मतलब यार ऐसे ना करे आप. ये नेचर है. Yes. Okay, what other things that you feel the highlighted part? Let me write that. Highlight specific orders. So such that any things that you want this app should have. So let me mark this. Highlight important slash today's delivery wale orders. Okay, this is a good point that I'll incorporate. What else do you guys think? What else you guys think that we should have it here? In this style, what other information that we can have? This time is looking complicated. A user don't want to see the seconds time and all. So simplify the time. Simplify the time in the UI. मी तुझा घर झालो मजनू मला. This order is fine. This logo should be, I should have something to fetch the logos of the companies, because it's an Amazon order and it's showing R. How the fuck it's showing R? It is a randomly generated UI. So if I have to add the logo, maybe I need to add another column in the orders, but it would be too much, because if the logo size is too much, my database size will increase. So that is not correct. I can have a separate API created from where I can fetch the logos, or maybe I can incorporate some AI agent. The agent will give me the search for me something. लोग आजकल बड़े अजीब हो गए. लाइक मैं भी like में भी कमजोरी ना करे भाई. Creator is putting hardcore effort. Yes, sir. Okay, okay, mean you are creating an overall dashboard platform to manage record of prods from your mail. Prods orders from your email and generate notification for arrivals of products. Yes, OTPs. And now question is how you're forwarding email to your endpoints. I'm not. See, there is a sync. Focus on this. Ignore others. There is this sync call. Right now I have kept it in the front end side to let me know what is going on. So there is this sync API that I have created. This sync API is nothing but going in the email box and fetching all the emails, not complete emails, fetching the IDs of the emails which have which passes this filter जो मैंने यहाँ पे बताया, this filters. It gives me the IDs whichever this filters लगने के बाद जो ID मिलते हैं, and it just giving me this ID, and based on that I am fetching doing internal things and adding those orders silently in the background in my orders table. So that is how it's working. Am I confusing to you? Because bro, where you work at? My LinkedIn is in the pinned comment, bro. You can check out Mr. Bob. You zoomed in camera. I don't think so. मैंने कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप थोड़ा नजदीक लेकर रखा है आज. I have a docking station right behind that. So one more suggestion, could add a smart dashboard which can contain orders like month, money spent, pending, deliveries, return in progress, and refund amount expected. Oh, nice. Refund amount expected is nice. This is a nice suggestion. Like this, I had this active this week on returns, but what you said, refund amount, I like this idea. Yeah, money spent is what I have in plan. Refund amount expected, yeah. Or returnable items, I can think about that. It can also have a return date. Yeah, I just thought of this, and yeah, this is a good suggestion. I'll just mark it. Bro, you should code along with me, per. Contribute in this application, bro. So, in the tile only, in the order row, we should have X days remain left to return. 6 days, for example. 6 days to return something. I'll figure out the short term because it's very long term to show it on the mobile, but yeah, X days to return the item. Okay, and the ones which doesn't have the expired return, maybe expired, not expired, not expired, something return date past something. I'll get the proper text from ChatGPT. Okay, return date past and X days remain to return. So these things I can have. Okay, so I don't want to make things complicated, but these are like easy suggestions that I can easily incorporate in the MVP1. MVP1, I have to keep it as simple as possible. For writing code, Java and React, which IDE are you using, IntelliJ or any other IDE? For Java, this is my workplace. I'm using IntelliJ. I don't really like the IntelliJ, but my goal was to learn Java, and everybody in the industry use IntelliJ, so I should be aware of IntelliJ. And for the front end, I'm using front end kahan gaya? And for the front end, I'm using this anti-gravity. Anti-gravity is exactly similar to VS Code, so I don't find it really difficult to use. So it's better than using the VS Code. The anti-gravity, it looks modern. Guys, kindly like the stream, yaar. Come on. And if you have any suggestion, like as per with sharing, you can also suggest something, any fix, anything. It can be anything. You just give me the suggestion and we will discuss. Can we incorporate it or not, or any issue that you are seeing right now. Sir, also one more thing. I guess there should be something where it can show that if the product is in the warranty or not, and if yes, then it can contain the serial number and all the other details for claiming. Mm, no, man, it would defeat the purpose of this app. I don't want these things. I'm again thinking on your point, per. A product is in warranty or not. No, I don't think it would be too much. Killing it. It would be like killing it. Maybe in the next MVPs, subsequent MVPs, but right now I don't think it would be like killing it. फ्रेशर लोग कोडेक्स या कर्सर यूज कर सकते हैं. Yes, 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 of course. Use it wisely, bro. See, you cannot move ahead keeping the technologies aside. You have to incorporate those technologies in your day-to-day work. नहीं तो बहुत पीछे छूट जाओगे. तुम्हें पता ही नहीं रहेगा कि क्या क्या हो गया, क्या नहीं. डेली इन प्रोडक्ट्स के अलग अलग मॉडल्स आ रहे हैं. For maintaining implementation logs, planning, yeah. So what's your feedback? Like, can we switch VS to anti-gravity? Yeah, VS Code to anti-gravity switch is very easy. Like, there is nothing different. It's completely same. I could have showed you VS Code and this. See, terminals, debug console, output problem. It's exactly same, bro. You cannot even tell me by just looking at the ID that it's not VS Code, it's anti-gravity. What more it gives us this side window, agent only, that's it. I guess they have used VS Code ka code as it is because VS Code is open source, if I'm not wrong. It's exactly same, bro. Use anti-gravity on instead of VS Code. Yes, sir, you are right. I guess for the MVP one, this is enough. For the next MVP, we can plan many more things. Yes. Anirudh Gamer, hello. Anirudh Gamer, how are you, bro? What's your status about funding and all? You were about to share all those things. क्या हुआ उसका आगे? RN Singh. Hello, RN Singh. I'm beginner. Give me tips. I just complete my Java learning. Bro, practice. Build as many projects as possible. Do lead code. See, do hands-on practice as much as possible. Come se come, as you are a beginner, try to use AI less for writing the code. You can use AI more in learning, but use code for AI agents to learn. So I was explaining this thing to Atharva 2 days ago. This works for all of you. प्रैक्टिस करो भाई. प्रैक्टिस के ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है. जहां पे भी तुम्हें कुछ सेट्स मिल जाए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की, जस्ट पिक दोज एंड सॉल्व दोज क्वेश्चंस, ब्रो. प्रैक्टिस इज द ओनली वन थिंग दैट विल मेक यू गुड. परसों 3 घंटे इस पे डिस्कशन चला हम लोगों के बीच में डीसी मीटिंग में. ओ अच्छा, wasn't I part of that? I can suggest many things on the project if I can understand the project. There is nothing to understand. There are this much is the only screen that you need to know. There's nothing else, bro. क्या है इसमें और? सारे ऑर्डर्स एक जगह पे दिख रहे हैं. That's it. You have to just think about what all things that we can show inside this style. I don't even have I don't even didn't even made it like clickable. Okay, I don't want that much of complexity yet. So it's that simple. Um, and you have more than I think 3 years experience. Should we go with the Node or Spring as a fresher? I have experience, and you have more than I think 3 years of yes, I have more than 3 years of experience. Should we go with Node or Spring as a fresher? It doesn't matter, bro. I'm really telling you, it doesn't matter. If you have already worked on Node, continue working on Node. If you have already worked on Spring, continue working on Spring. This FOMO will always be there. मैं कहीं पे ये पढ़ रहा था. It is a very famous concept. Like whenever we are at some point, we tend to think about other options, the things we couldn't do, or things that we are missing out. And in doing so, we miss out on the higher potential of the particular path that we are right now on. And we tend to forget about the potential of it. So looking at other options, it's fine. There are other options, but focus on what you have at your hand, what you are good at right now. कुछ भी हो सकता है वो, उस पर कंटिन्यू करो, बाकी सब अपने आप आते जाएगा. नोड इज ऑल्सो गुड. बहुत सारी कंपनीज यूज नोड. इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड विद जावा and Spring, continue on that. If you have already started with the Node, continue on that. अच्छा, रात के 3 बजे. ओके ओके. नहीं नहीं सर, मैं इन जनरल बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, स्क्रीन शेयर था, हम बंदा डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहा था काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही में. अच्छा guys, let me again tell you, the guys who are joining new, if you can find any issues or bugs or improvements, do let me know in the chat. I'll note that down and I'll start working on this. This is the current things that I've taken out for me to work on as the next step. So if you see anything such that, you can let me know. I'll just note that down. And don't forget to like the stream. जैसे प्रोजेक्ट मुझे समझ आ गया है, आई सजेस्टेड सम थिंग्स, आई हैव मोर, बट दिस इज इनफ फॉर आई गेस. और यस, फर्स्ट MVP. Anirudh, actually, bro, I'm focusing on my studies right now. I just joined college and my first unit tests are starting this month. That's why I have put all my startup plans on hold for now. Everything is okay. That's good. Focusing on your studies is good. Paused. The only major hurdle left is getting investment, and convincing people to invest is the hardest part. Yeah. True. True, true. कैसी problem means the problem issues in this application, bro? The problem I forgot to mention over here is not fetching the recent, not showing the most recent date of the email. So that is an issue. This is an issue. कैसे प्रॉब्लम, फीचर्स क्या क्या है? दिस इज ओनली द फीचर, ब्रो. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट सिंस many days. This is the only feature. See, all my emails, there are two more emails, and from all those email accounts, the orders are coming into this application. That's it. This is the feature. No rocket science, nothing. Okay, I guess we are done over here. this much is 9 points that we have. uh hey, लड़का हैंडल दिखा संचन की आंधी को भी चने की फैन पीला. Let me mark this down, note this down. Let me write it in the Notion. Wrote it as a part of testing my Orders SaaS app and segregate them as bug and improvements. Let it add this. I don't have to think about it. Guys, kindly like the stream. Come on. Hey bro, do you know programming? I have Python subject in college and I'm complete beginner. I don't even know where to start. I attended one lecture, but honestly I couldn't understand much. Yeah, you didn't understand Python directly. I'm not a Python developer, bro, but I know a little bit of Python. You cannot directly start with the Python unless or until you are clear with the fundamentals. If you are clear with C, C++, then only you can pick up the Python. लोग जो बोलते हैं कि जावा इज इजी टू लर्न, कोई भी आके बिगिनर आल्सो कैन लर्न द पाइथन, इट्स बुलशिट. You cannot. Now I am really confused. Can you give me some good advice on how to learn Python from scratch? Tell me if you have done C++, C and C++. If you have, then you can easily learn Python. If not, then it's really difficult for you to learn Python. I'm not demotivating you, but it's truth. I have done that by myself. Like, is it in the warehouse or the delivery partner is assigned, etc.? No, it's not in warehouse or something. It's like it's just combining all the orders. ऐसा भी है C++. Yes sir, yes sir, ऐसा भी है. मतलब मैंने सही स्टेप लिया. Yes sir. गलत स्टेप लेते तो मैं तुम्हें बता देता कब का कि you are on the wrong path, bro. Anirudh gamer, no. So that there is your answer, bro. I was like in the same situation like you. I first picked up Python by reading on the Google that Python is really easy. Python is really easy for a beginner. Python is really easy to learn. ये सब लोडा लहसुन, लेकिन ये सब गलत था. I created some calculator basic application in the Python, but then it didn't work out unless or until when then after a year or so, I gave a serious time to C and C++. I solved many questions on C++, like basic, not even difficult question, like basic questions. I was referring to one foreign author ka C++ book that was really good. It happened during the COVID times. And after that, any new learning is like a piece of cake. People really underestimate the power of C and C++, the importance of C and C++, because that's the fundamental of programming. Hail all the men. Bro, you are saying this if suppose any girl joins the chat, she would felt bad about this. Okay, this much is the point. So I hope my Notion has noted all those down for me. Simplify time is also a bug. Though in my cover, yes, some good teachers really teach very well. But yeah, so we hail all community of women. I read that message, bro. Okay, now I just have to give this to AI to fix those things, but I don't want to do this. So what we can do, I have URL shortener open maybe. आए वो मेरे अपने रंग में. In this one, I have some good things that I've did. So this payload exception, business exception, yeah. So these things I want, and controller, not controller. Global error handler response is one. Resources with this, yeah. Global exception handler. So this is what I want. This file. ये मैंने बहुत शिद्दत से बहुत अच्छे से बनाई है and now for every project Java Spring Boot project I'm going to use this. So its path is example URL shortener. मेरी सांसों में so let me create global exception handling. So there are so many unused files that I'm going to delete. From here, let me create Java class global exception handling. Yeah, add. Okay, and so it is at the rate rest control controller advice. So this is it, and in this one we will copy method by method, just to you guys also get an understanding of what review file imports. Okay, so business exception I haven't created. So com hub Java, and there is no folder called exception. So in this one I need new package called exception, and in this one I need a class called Java business exception. So it will be all the basis of business exception. Oh, it should be an interface. It should be an interface, no? No, it's a class, sorry. And it extends runtime exception. Yeah, runtime exception. And we will take this, import HTTP error status. Let me simplify this. HTTP error status. Import class Spring Framework from Spring Framework. Super message and return HTTP status. कहो तो वेड़ा पिसारे मौका उठा ले जपुन 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 जारे पड़े धोखा आहे. Now I want API error response. So those two things I usually have. One is success response and one is error response. So should I show you how those responses should look like? So there is, I always keep API error response and success API success response. So these two I have always. Okay, so it simply means that status is error, something error. Okay, so error I'll mention, and in this one I have some, I forgot the payload. It has error and it has like status code, then error title, error description. So this is for this, and successfully it's simple. So status success. This is really important when you push your application to the production level. You will find the importance of these small things, and this payload of this type T. Okay, so this is the success response. So those two things I always have. So I need to create API response. Hey, wait, I did one mistake. So let me just not this file, global exception and business runtime error. So these two files I'll not publish, and all those things, and implemented email sync. पुराना मैं पुश करना भूल गया. email sync and orders API commit and push. Git push. Okay, so this part has been pushed. Now back to messages. I want to. कहाँ तक पढ़ा था मैंने? Guys, kindly like the stream, यार. Kindly like the stream. बढ़िया से वो भी. Hello all women. और भाई लोग क्या हालचाल? Gosler, hello bro. How are you, brother? चाय पे चर्चा और प्रोजेक्ट. यस, चर्चा. चाय कोड. There is a channel called Chai Code, ना? Chai on Code something. हाँ जी. URL शॉर्टनर बन रहा है क्या? URL शॉर्टनर नहीं बन रहा है भाई. URL शॉर्टनर बन चुका है ब्रो. यू आर लेट टू द स्ट्रीम्स. URL शॉर्टनर बन के डिप्लॉय होके उसका यूज करके उसको डिलीट भी कर दिया. I already know the basics of JavaScript, TypeScript, React and Flutter, but I haven't learned Python, C++ or C# yet. Since I already have some programming knowledge, could you please guide me on that? Bro, sorry bro. I really don't accept this roadmap. You can, but I wouldn't be able to guide you on this one. Because I know for a reason that without C++, none of the coding is even possible. C and C++, understanding C and C++. Best way to learn Python from scratch. Which of your videos or playlists should I start with? No, I don't have anything on Python, bro. Sorry. I actually don't have anything on Python. I don't have any playlist on Python. If there are any other YouTube channels or resources you can recommend, I would really appreciate it. Bro, I'm not a Python guy that I have used Python thoda bahut, writing scripts and all. That much I can understand, and writing one LangChain agent, but that's it. I never followed any YouTube tutorial, or I don't even know that much of Python, to be honest. Bro, focus on one. Are you saying to me or to Anirudh? दिमाग का जान. गॉड्स ऑफ इजिप्ट का वो बंदा. डैंग, इजिप्ट में ई साइलेंट होता. ओ, आई डिडंट नो दैट. अलग ही लेवल का बंदा. ये भी ये भी हटा दो, सही नाम मिल जाएगा। यार जूम कर दो थोड़ा, काफी छोटा दिख रहा है। दैट्स व्हाट शी सेड ब्रो। इज इट फाइन नाउ? मोबाइल को लैंडस्केप कर दो भाई, मोबाइल ही नहीं है भाई मेरे पास। आई डोंट हैव मोबाइल ब्रो। अच्छा अच्छा, यू आर सेइंग टू, आई एम सॉरी ब्रो, तुम दोनों का नाम ब्लू इसमें दिख रहा है सेम, आई एम कंसिडरिंग यू बोथ सेम। फिर जूम करो। आ, क्या बकचोदी चल रहा है भाई। नॉट यू इन द म्यूजिक आई एम सीइंग। अच्छा, मुझे एक बड़ा रीजन लगता है स्टैटिक वर्सेस डायनामिक की वजह से। एज ए सी प्लस प्लस स्टैटिकली टाइप्ड। अबे यार कैमरा भी, कैमरा नहीं कोड हो, सॉरी आई एम सॉरी। तभी मैं बोलूँ मेरा चेहरा देखने में क्या इनको इम्पोर्टेंस है। चार बोरिंग साली। आई होप दिस इज विजिबल नाउ। डिस्को डांसिंग खा चेला। इसमें ये जूम नहीं हूँ करने देता ना। Okay, this much is only possible. रेफरेंस अच्छा था वैसे, यस। जावा एक्सेट्रा में वेरिएबल को कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, सी प्लस प्लस में स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स है काफ़ी चीज़ों पे, यस। इवन इफ यू यूज मेनी अदर लैंग्वेजेस दैट आल्सो हैव स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स। फिर क्या हुआ था उसके बोलने के बाद? इट इज़ अ जोक ब्रो, फ्रॉम ऑफिस, दी ऑफिस। कंट्रोल प्लस प्लस करेंगे तो हो जाएगा, नहीं हो रहा इसमें, कंट्रोल प्लस प्लस से नहीं हो रहा, बट इतना मैंने फॉन्ट बड़ा कर दिया, नाउ इट्स फाइन ना। So API response, let me write this API response. So this is an API response. So it's still in the exception. Okay, so let me create API response under the exception. So this is my pattern, and you can follow this pattern blindly because I have tested it multiple times, and this is really good. Hey, it's not on 5. Hey macha, let me delete this. मैकबुक में डिलीट करना भी एक अलग ही चीज़ है। द न्यू जावा यूजेस एंड रिकॉर्ड ऑफ टाइप। Okay, and this record contains these many things. Okay, and then those two constructors, API response, one with the message and one without the validators and all. Oh, it's under the wrong folder, so exception, and here should be package called response, and in this one this API response should go, yeah, refactor and success response. So let me copy this from here, API success response, API Java class success response. It should be of type order, yeah, add, correct. And this is of type, whatever the type that we will provide, that is called generics. So we will use generics over here, and it is just boolean success, payload, and then these three things. Okay, and then it has this constructor. I can add constructor directly like this. Actions constructor, compact constructor. Oh sorry, compact constructor nahi. Constructor, canonical constructor. Okay, so this constructor, but we want super. Oh, I'm sorry about this one. यहाँ पे जो भी हम पास करेंगे वो यूज करना है आपको, ठीक है. So this becomes API success response, this becomes API error response, and now this becomes business exception. Now we have to create different exception, but in the global exception handler, we have, see, I have three functions majorly over here. One is to handle business exception. Whatever the exception comes, it will pass through this and it will return the exception response, the API error response that we have created. There is this validation as in if user is trying to provide some wrong kind of input or something, then in that case this particular method would be invoked first, because this handler comes in the picture before the request goes to the controller. So this is being first invoked. So whatever the request is going through this. Then handle generic exception if other than this, like server is down or something else, then in that all this case this function is invoked. But the most important is this handle business exception. Import class. Now we have created all this class, then fine, and then let me add this validation for, I don't think we need this, and we are not going to take any क्या बोलते हैं उसको, inputs from the user. So what I'll do, I'll just comment this out because we don't need this as such now. Why to have the code that is never going to be used? And this is what we want. Top 1% engineer. Hello bro, how are you man? आधा तो कट गया यार. Yeah, also that what she said. भाई लैपटॉप का रेट बेंच गोल्ड के जितना क्यों होते जा रहा है. सोचा था 1 साल काम करके मैक लूंगा, अब तो 3 साल करना पड़ेगा काम. Bro, because of this AI competition, every RAM memory is being imported by those AI companies, because those are the primary customers of these companies. The companies which used to create your SSDs, hard disk, RAMs, their primary customers are not you right now, though. Their primary customers are these big companies, ChatGPT, Claude, their servers. That's why those are expensive now. मैंने तो रिस्क लेके लिया, बस रिस्क लेना चाहिए भाई. वेट करके हुए बुढ़ापा आ जाएगा. यस, डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प. Top 1% engineer. Hello, I said hello to you guys. Don't forget to like the stream. Kindly like the stream. ओ भाई आप एडिटर भी हो? यस सर. कितने का पड़ा? सौदा महंगा था भाई. EMI में उठा लिया क्या? अप्रैल में लिया. हाँ, समझ सकते हो. वो भी लेनोवो. ओके, अच्छा तुम्हारा डिस्कशन चल रहा है. लेट मी नो व्हेन आई हैव टू पिच इन. So these things are there. Now there are some exceptions which AI has written. I'm gonna straightforward and delete those exceptions. So Google exception should not extend runtime exception now. It should extend our business exception. अब इसने कुछ तो अलग अलग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन मारा हुआ है, तो वेट मेरे को थोड़ा फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा. देर आर वन मोर exception that it has written connected account exception. Okay, which more exception. So all these should extend our runtime, our business exception, not these runtime exceptions. And all those exceptions should come to this folder only. So currently it's under Gmail and exception. I need to refactor this. This folder should go. Yeah, delete. Then we need pagination. Pagination is something new that I need to build. There is in none of the application I have used pagination in the Java pagination, so I have to build that from scratch. स्ट्रीम 720p क्यों है भाई मेरे पास रिसोर्सेस नहीं है, मतलब मैंने कभी दिमाग ही नहीं लगाया इतना. इज इट इन द 720p ओनली? मेरे को फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. इतने दिन मैंने सोचा ही नहीं कि स्ट्रीम को क्वालिटी 4K और ये सब करने का. बिकॉज आई हैव ओनली वन लैपटॉप सेटअप. पापा ने M3 लेके दिया था 1.5 लाख का 2 years अगो. बढ़िया है तुम्हारे पापा. लॉल भाई, काफी लोगों को 75 तक पड़ा था. ओनली दुख इज 8 GB. मैक इज लाइक 8 GB के साथ तो काम करना मुश्किल हो जाता है भाई. एप्पल में चीजें है भाई. शेर को पालना वर्सेस बिल्ली को. गेम खेलने के लिए लिया था. एप्पल इज नॉट सो गुड ब्रो. 4 months और रुकता तो सेम प्राइस पे 16 GB मिल जाता. ये हमेशा चलता रहेगा ब्रो. लेट मी गिव द codex command now to fix this all the exceptions. I'll go step by step now. Where is codex? I have created my own business exception. So all the exceptions in the project should extend my business. आता कशाचा राग तुला? Guys, kindly like the stream. अरे मैंने आज एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज नहीं डाला. ओ व्हाट द फक ब्रो. दैट्स व्हाई. तभी लाइक्स नहीं आ रहे थे. फोर मंथ्स रुकता डैम. सब अमीर लोग इधर बेंच. भैया रेट लिमिटर का सोर्स कोड कंप्लीट नहीं है गिटहब पे. ए इट्स देयर ब्रो. let me check it right now. आता कशाचा रागच सर्फला दोन टाक रेट लिमिटर का तो ओ ओके देर इज समथिंग मिसिंग थैंक यू फॉर लेटिंग मी नो ब्रदर थैंक यू सॉरी ब्रो थैंक यू फॉर लेटिंग मी नो टर्मिनल कहाँ है इधर का आई पुश द लास्ट कोड जो बचा हुआ था मेरे पास क्या नाम था भाई का थैंक यू ब्रो LO33506 you deleted that message but it's okay I pushed the code bro delete क्यों किया मैसेज थोड़ा सा दिल I have pushed the rate limiter code sorry for that mistake bro I thought मैंने push किया था सब कुछ I should be more careful about this now I have so many things going on parallelly but yeah आपके मैक स्पेक्स मेरा M3 है मैं तो इजीली 4K पे कर लेता हूँ ओके ओके मैंने इतना एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं किया ब्रो मेरे को डिवाइस ही इतना पसंद नहीं है इस पे काम करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है मैकबुक पे आमिर नहीं भाई अब 1000 रुपए का माइक यूज कर रहा हूँ डोंट यूज AI मैन वाइल लर्निंग ब्रो अपना लर्निंग का हो गया यू डिडंट जॉइन द प्रीवियस प्रोजेक्ट्स हमने क्या कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स कर लिए दिस URL शॉर्टनर क्रिएटेड विदाउट यूजिंग AI दिस रेट लिमिटर बिना AI के किया है हमने देन हमने क्या किया ऑथेंटिकेशन एप्स हमने किया था ये सब सारे प्रैक्टिस प्रोजेक्ट आई डिड विदाउट यूजिंग AI नाउ इट्स टाइम नाउ माय गोल इज टू लाइक create this application as soon as possible so that's why I'm using AI right now I have most of the code ready with me जो जो नया करना है वो हम कर लेंगे AI चाहिए थोड़ा थोड़ा अभी now we have surpassed the boundary where I was just learning now I'm learning plus growing so in this phase using AI is okay I feel so मुझे आज पता चला ये मोहित भाई का सिस्टम मैक था ध्यान ही नहीं दिया मोहित भाई का मेरा मेरा मोहित कौन भाई मेरा नाम रोहित है अगर तुम कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो तो हम लोगों को एक चांस मिलता है मैंने सोचा रिस्क नहीं ले सकते हैं खराब लैपटॉप का ट्रू नो विंडोज लैपटॉप आर बेटर नो बेटर एज इन यू इट्स जनरलाइज्ड OS ना तुम सारी चीज़ें उसमें कर सकते हो देर इज़ नो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस एज इन मैक GPU स्ट्रीमिंग और दूसरी चीज़ों में यूज़ हो जाता है अपने आप ओके OnePlus 1% engineer I'll take care of this 4K streaming no मैं एक बार देख लेता हूँ कैसे I'm kind of noob in those things सही किया भाई मुझे लगा मैंने गलत देख लिया नहीं नहीं भाई यू आर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट दिस इज हार्ड फॉर यू ब्रो व्हाट्स योर नेम ब्रो डर गया था भैया डरो नहीं भाई जिंदगी में कभी भी किसी से भी मत डरो क्या ही हो जाएगा रिमूव दिस फियर फ्रॉम यू एवरीबडी इज फियरफुल ऑफ समथिंग डोंट बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट अपने बाप से बाप के अलावा किसी से ना डरो जिंदगी में भाई भाई कांड करने गया था काम कर्म हो गया यस तुझे देख के मेरी मधुबाला तुझे पानी में पागल है साला। राहुल, राहुल भैया, हेलो हेलो ब्रो। अरे फिर से डिलीट कर दिया। तुम्हें नहीं पता है ये तुम्हारे मैसेज वीडियोस में भी दिखते हैं, एंड आई कैन रिट्रैक्ट दोज मैसेजेस इफ यू आर डिलीटिंग दोज। वो बोल रहा था उसने गलत रेपो देख लिया था, तब तब आपका कोड मिसिंग था, एक्चुअली मिसिंग था। आई पुश द कोड राइट अवे। मुझे मुझे लगा मैंने गलत नहीं। इंडिया में 4K में कॉमन आदमी कहाँ ही देखेगा। ट्रू। राहुल, हेलो राहुल। पारिक शीट, ये इतना मेरे को स्मॉल क्यों दिख रहा है यार। परीक्षित भाई, फाइनल ईयर में हूँ, डीएसए कर रहा हूँ, एंड्रॉयड डेव भी कर रहा हूँ, बट एट द एंड एट द एंड ऑफ डे रिज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं हो रहा है भाई, क्या करूँ। रिज्यूमे मेरे को भेजो लिंक्डइन पे, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ। सेंड मी द रिज्यूमे ऑन लिंक्डइन, आई विल गिव यू अ रिव्यू। I have created so good system. I'm sending the PDF of changes and improvement scores about your resume. So maybe that can help you. सर थक गया आज तो, पढ़ के फुल डे था, ऊपर से कॉलेज। अरे सो जाओ ब्रो, सो जाओ पर भाई, सो जाओ। अस ब्रो अस। राहुल एंड भैया, थैंक यू अपडेट करने के लिए। नो प्रॉब्लम ब्रदर, ऑलवेज। भैया एक सेशन गिट एंड गिटहब यूज करना सिखा दो। ओके ओके ओके, मैं यूज करता रहता हूँ। यू गाइस कैन सी ना, आई आई यूजुअली डोंट यूज दिस आईडी स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स। मैं टर्मिनल खोलता हूँ यहाँ पे, एंड यहाँ पे अपना जो भी गिट कमांड चलाना है वो चलाते रहता हूँ। सो दिस इज व्हाट हाउ आई डू। गिट फेच हाइफन ऑल। I'll do that bro। मुझे लगता है मेरे को कुछ सिखाना ही पड़ेगा, तुम लोग उसके बिना मेरे को रहने नहीं दोगे। एवरीबडी कम्स एंड से टीच समथिंग, आई डोंट वांट टू टीच। ओके भाई, द लिंक्डइन link is in the pinned comment, you can check and text me there। What's the meaning of this greater than less than 3? What does this mean? कोई एक स्ट्रीम पे कवर कर लेंगे बादल ब्रो। गिटहब, आई गिव अ क्विक recap of GitHub, what exactly GitHub is, how it works, and जो तुम्हें daily life में लगते हैं वही command, because GitHub has so many commands, those we really don't use, we use like 6-7 major command। कोड भी थारी का देख लो, वो शोले वाला न्यू आया है। ओके, देर आर सो मेनी गुड टीचर्स ऑन यूट्यूब अवेलेबल। आज जा रहे ऑब्जेक्ट्स खत्म कर देता हूँ जब तक पर भाई सो रहे। ओके भाई। सर मीन्स हार्ट लॉल। ओ ओ, हाउ डज इट बिकम्स हार्ट? ओ ओके ओके ओके। ओ ब्रो, अगर ये हार्ट है ब्रो पर, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ फिर? इफ दैट इज हार्ट, देन व्हाट डज दिस मीन? आई एम न्यू इन दिस थिंग्स ब्रो। हाफ हार्ट, एक तरफा प्यार शायद। सर ट्राई वंस। बैगन। भाई, अपनी ऑडियंस बकचोद होती जा रही है भाई। आई एम लाइकिंग इट। अच्छा, लेस देन एंड देन 3। ये तो कुछ नहीं है, ये कुछ है बन जाता है भाई, तुम नहीं समझ पा रहे हो फिर। भैया मैं 4 ईयर, मैं भैया भैया मैं 4th ईयर में हूँ एंड डीएस से मेरा थोड़ा अच्छा है, स्प्रिंग बूट भी अच्छा है, बस प्रोजेक्ट का इशू है। रेट लिमिटर को मैंने अपने रिज्यूमे में ऐड कर सकता हूँ। रेट लिमिटर ऐड करने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है ब्रो, योर रिज्यूमे प्रोजेक्ट शुड बी कंप्लीट एंड टू एंड प्रोडक्ट। Hey, somebody took the like back. I just saw that. Somebody took the like back. Unless or until I get my like back, I'll not talk. This is fine. This is fine. API exception handler. I don't want this exception handler. Hey, somebody took my like back. Give my like back. Uh, I don't want this API exception handler. I always write my own global exception handler, and I have written that in this project. So use only that and everything else. तुम लोगों के साथ काम करके मजा आ रहा है मेरे को. Yes, I got the like back. Thank you. रेट लिमिटर मत डालो, मैंने तुम्हें बताया राहुल. Use something end-to-end project, any full stack project, as you know, Spring Boot and all. There are so many good projects. ओ ये चार्ट में जाके हर्ट हो रहा है क्या? ओ ऑन स्क्रीन. ये हर्ट का एल है. बीटीएस वाले करते हैं ये शायद. अच्छा, मेरे को नहीं पता. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? आई सी दिस इज गोइंग ऑन द संसद भवन. सम सांसद वर डूइंग दिस क्लॉक. Hey, again somebody took the like back, bro. Fuck you guys. स्पेस दो सर 3 के बाद. ओ ओ ओके 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 ओके. बहन चोद. आई कैन डू इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स. ये सारे चैट में होता है क्या? ओ शिट ब्रो. ओ अगर मैं इसको करूं. ओ नथिंग्स. ऐसे और क्या क्या होता है भाई? कुछ बढ़िया पता चला मेरे को तो. ये कौन सा जमाने में जी रहा हूँ भाई मैं? ओ बन गया ये हार्ट. तुम लोगों को भी नहीं पता था क्या? फिर ठीक है. एनी सजेशंस फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट? any management project, student management, library management, or some kind of this management, because customer relationship management, the one I did when I was back in the college days. So these projects really work out well for the beginners, for the freshers, because there are so many things that you can talk about in the interview, and your interviews can be worked around that project, specific project. Rate limiter is not a resume kind of a project. You can Rate limiter is just a concept. I created a project. I wrote each and every algorithm by following that book Alex Yuka that I did. Actually surplus, but rate limiter is just one of the concepts in the system design. पढ़ो भाई पढ़ो, जब तक स्ट्रीम एंड नहीं होगी तब तक पढ़ेंगे. पढ़ो भाई. आज भैया मुझे मुझे साई रेट लिमिटर के बारे में भी पूछा था। ओके, रेट लिमिटर के बारे में पूछा था। देन दैट्स नाइस ब्रो। नाउ तो यू गाइस हैव बिकेम pro in rate limiter, no? Those who have joined the streams or have seen the streams, those are like must have become expert. And guys, tell me one thing. I have a agent. I have wrote an agent to create recaps of the videos, but I saw there is no huge response on those. But even if you want to recap, for example, this rate limiter project, I can get all the 6 projects, and those are like how many hours? 14-15 hours ka stream, and I can convert that into 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes max to max. Do you guys want that? I can do that very easily within a night. Like I had to keep my Mac up and do that, but it will work. I have a AI agent written for that. If you guys want that, I can easily create that and upload that to that one. If not, I'm not gonna do that मेहनत। पर भाई कैसे कर लेते हो स्ट्रीम के बाद साथ पढ़ाई? भाई पर इज रियली expert, bro. You guys don't know how smart, how topper. He's a topper. He has almost kitna 9 pointer. दो जगह videos parallelly. Now it's getting out of hand. कौन स्ट्रीम कर रहा है? इंडी भाई। डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं, और जब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पढ़ रहा होता हूँ तब म्यूट कर देता हूँ। नाइस। चिप चिप। यो यो रेडियस फिल्म, हेलो ब्रो, हाउ आर यू? व्हाट्सअप? व्हाट्सअप ब्रदर? may I ask you to do check SMT? What is SMT? Yeah, you can ask me. You can share the link. The link cannot be shared in the YouTube chat unless until it's a YouTube video. You have to share it in the Discord or ping me in the LinkedIn. If you like, you man, woman, else you will. It worked, bro. So this is a clock. It matlab to notice, call out, or state a hidden truth like this. Snipe. Oh, you made a sniper in the chat, Sasi. ब्रो ये कहाँ से कैसे बनाते वैसे? पोल में डाल दे क्या गे लेस्बियन वाला? वी कैन। वोल्फ का आधा भाई, व्हाट द फक, इट ब्रेक्स। ओके, बैक टू वर्क गाइस। तुम लोग डे बाय डे फनी होते जा रहे हो, या तुम हो मेरे को नहीं पता था। ओके, API exception handler. So what does this mean? This is a deleted file. Hoi 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 Rusalomi. Okay, it implemented our business exception. This Gmail account already exists. Yeah, this is better. Let me, instead of looking the files one by one, let me do docker compose up -d -build only backend. How I got this much XP? फूड डिलीवरी प्रोजेक्ट सही रहेगा रेज्यूमे के लिए? ब्रो नो no no no, don't do full food delivery. I know you will not do the core feature. You wouldn't be able to implement the core features of it, so don't do that food delivery app. I'm seeing so many of you are asking, curious about which projects you should do as a fresher. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, एक लिस्ट लेके आता हूँ खुद ही मैं. I'm getting कि तुम लोग थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो इन सब चीज़ों में. I have some list and I'll get some good projects and along with the GitHub repos of it, and I'll post it on YouTube post or somewhere, maybe a video or something. I'll give it to you. Right now I have something. Let me, because we were in a discussion with a fresher only now. If I have that marked. Uh, Trading app, no, not this one. कहाँ गया है, कहाँ मैं भेजता रहता हूँ मेरे को खुद को. I'll search it, bro. How you guys are finding my LinkedIn, sorry, Instagram account? Hello sir, follow me. I also want to build connection. I'm third BTech student. I need tips from you. Yeah, connected. Parikshit sent, and Parikshit is from the chat, you know. Are you there? You asked. Okay, I'll send it. If you are still in the chat after the streams, I do this activity ना. एक बार मैं सबका review करके I reply to respective people properly. सर हम लोग पहले से ही बकचोद लोग हैं, रियल लाइफ में करते हैं बहुत. बकचोद होना बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ में. मैं तो कहता हूँ डीएसए रोड मैप पे भी वीडियो डाल देना चाहिए, बहुत लोग आ जाते हैं. मेरे पास नहीं है टू मच कंटेंट ऑन दिस. ओ इट्स वर्किंग, इट्स नॉट फेड. ओ इज इट? ये इतना अच्छा कब से हो गया भाई, बिना मस्ती के इसने सब कोड कैसे ये कर दिया. मैंने तो 3 फाइल बना के दी इसको. टेस्ट फाइल्स आई डोंट रियली केयर राइट एट दिस पॉइंट. लेट मी फिनिश ऑल द मैसेज रीडिंग. गाइस काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम यार. मेरे को बार बार बोलने के लिए मजबूर ना करें आप. काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम. I know many of you are watching this silently. You can be a silent viewer, but a like doesn't take your silence away. So do like the stream. Yes, good. I can see you guys liking the stream now. डीएसए रोड मैप पे नहीं. डीएसए तो रोड मैप तो मैं खुद एक ये बना रहा हूँ. मैंने कल दिखाया था तुम लोगों को. I'm making my own list now, because I found other lists are like just for quick list, 100 question, 150 question, but no, I want a extensive list, and that's what I'm making. कहाँ गया वो, कहाँ गई? So many resumes I have with me now. So yeah, this is what I'm building right now. So I want this because I want to cover each and every type of problem based on this particular topic. So if, for example, graph has pattern, different patterns. So I'll cover each and every pattern and all the person. This is just for me. So maybe I'll not share any roadmap, but I'll have this to be created along with the notes, pattern notes. So this is I'm vibe coding now. I can't build each and everything from scratch. Hey, somebody took like back again, bro. क्या मस्ती है भाई ये। टाइम बचेगा। Project ideas are much needed by year. I'll come up with this very immediately. This will be my highest priority then. सर मैंने एक guys यार, don't take the like back. Don't do this बकचोदी। सर मैंने एक क्लाउड कॉस्ट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन बनाया था इन अ हैकाथॉन, रियल टाइम AWS cloud cost intelligence platform that autonomously detects and fixes cloud waste before the bill arrives and came second. Oh, that's really nice idea पर यार, बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया वो। यस भैया, प्रोजेक्ट की वजह से लो कॉन्फिडेंस फील करता हूँ। मैंने एक मैनेजमेंट प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था, टीचर ने पूछ लिया कि इससे प्रोजेक्ट में यूनिक क्या है। ट्रू, सो लेट मी कम अप विद अ गुड लिस्ट ऑफ लाइक 10 प्रोजेक्ट्स का लिस्ट that could be unique, and you guys can easily implement that. I'll work on this part, bro. Don't worry. वो इनविजिबल मोड जाते रहता हो नेक्स्ट मंथ कुछ और होगा। पर परीक्षित, आई एम हियर, या I'll text you, bro. I'm seeing your resume. मैं एक बार रिव्यू करके तुम्हें बताता हूँ, ठीक है, आफ्टर स्ट्रीम, बिकॉज उसको थोड़ा डिटेल में देखना पड़ता है। आई कैन नॉट मिस और गिव यू समथिंग रॉन्ग ना। सो आई डू इट परीक्षित, डोंट वरी। क्या सब्सक्रिप्शन भी लेना चाहिए? एज इफ आई एम वर्किंग ऑन प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड लिमिट्स एक्सीडिंग कर्सर कोडेक्स। नो नो नो, यूज मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ठीक है। देर इज some GitHub extension or something to like extract your context and share that same context with other AI agents, so you can use that feature and use free. I know you guys are all students, so don't pay for any subscriptions right now. You really don't need that. We can code in that using multiple agents, yes, at once. And if not, see, अगर तुम लोग कोई प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो, see, मेरे पास फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम यूजिंग इन वन टर्मिनल कोडेक्स, आई कैन गो एंड यूज क्लॉड इन अनदर टर्मिनल. If I want AGI anti-gravity in another terminal, I can use anti-gravity. So see, you just have to give that and all the agents will be there. See, anti-gravity codex, anti-gravity Claude and codex over here. I'm using codex because codex is very cheap and I have subscription for ChatGPT plus, so I'm using codex. थैंक यू सर, मेरे पास 2-3 और आइडिया है मस्त मस्त अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स के, बट आई डोंट रियली विश टू रिवील दैट टू द पब्लिक, वरना चोरी हो जाएगा आइडिया मेरा। इट्स ओके, इट्स अप टू यू। थोड़ा लंबा प्रोजेक्ट है, नॉट फॉर द कोड, जस्ट फॉर दोज थिंग्स, कोड सजेशन वेयर आई एम रॉन्ग, मेंटेनिंग लॉक्स, गोइंग अकाउंट टू प्लान, सेविंग टाइम ऑन रिसर्चिंग एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन। नहीं समझा मैं। ओके भैया, थैंक यू, वेलकम ब्रो। हेलो वर्ल्ड भाई, मैं ETL डेवलपर हूँ, डेटा इंजीनियर, 2 years एक्सपीरियंस है, कैपजेमिनी में DSA भी करता हूँ रेगुलरली। कुछ ओपनिंग्स है आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में? मेरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ETL डेवलपर ही स्पेसिफिक पोजीशन नहीं है ब्रो। इफ समथिंग कम्स अप आई विल पोस्ट इट इन द डिस्कॉर्ड जॉब्स ओपनिंग वाला सेक्शन ना। इफ समथिंग कम्स अप आई विल पोस्ट इट इन द जॉब्स ओपनिंग ऑन द डिस्कॉर्ड, बट यूजुअली करंटली द मार्केट इज सो डाउन। गाइस यार, आप लोग लाइक नहीं कर रहे हो स्ट्रीम को, क्या हो गया? इज देयर समथिंग रॉन्ग टुडे? लाइक द स्ट्रीम। ठीक है, बैक टू द कोड नाउ। अभी बहुत बकचोदी कर ली हमने। लेट मी क्लोज ऑल दिस एंड लेट मी, इट्स वर्किंग दो, सो not this file, this exception, yeah, it's extending this exception, which is right. and using global exception, and it deleted this API exception handler. So let me search API exception. Okay, there is no file exception, there is no such file, so it has deleted. Now this part is done, so let me push this code now, because this is what implemented global exception handler and added business exception, added API error response and API success response. Okay, these things we have done. Commit and push. So git push. Okay, so this part is done. We have removed much of the code now. The time API response has already been used, so there is no issue. API success response. Let's do one thing to just test this API error response. Let me hit this. Earlier the error response is like this. Now I want to see how it looks right now. Yeah, validation errors, null, timestamp, and all those things. So now this is the exact error that I sent to the front end. It has timestamp, status error, message, path, and validation errors. Validation errors is also a JSON object. It can have multiple ones. So this is the type of error that I want to send to front end, because front end can easily read this and can make it global. So it is very easy to handle such errors. Now about the success response. So there are controllers. Exception is fine. Gmail is fine. Gmail has its own connected account. Sorry, manate yaachagi alare. So our API response does not use this one. Our API success response, it does not use, so we need to add that. So if we go in one of the controllers, so in this controller, response entity, and then it is a payload, it is API success response. So like this it should return a response. So right now it's not returning the response, but now I have to think about the paginated response. So let me go to Google. Best sample responses for paginated response. I want to see. There are multiple ways, so pagination data, okay, understood. So what kind of response I want? The success response. Okay, the success EU. Guys, kindly like the stream यार, तुम लोग बहुत बुरा कर रहे हो मेरे साथ. Success response for paginated response, for pagination. Okay, this response, how would I take it? So this response will have a response. It will have status. success. Okay, then I'll have a payload. Payload of type T, na? It will be. Should it be part of payload or should it be part of like other? So it would be like page 1, for example, size maybe 20 records, then has next true. Okay, page size and this, and then there can be filters as well. No filters payload का नहीं, इसका होता है, body का part होता है. So this much status payload page. So should these fields be inside payload or outside of the payload? Let me ask the ChatGPT, no, best way. Alien. ट्यूटोरियल एंड जीपीटी. भैया मैंने रेस्ट एपीआई बनाना सीख लिया और डेटाबेस में डेटा कैसे स्टोर करना है ये भी सीख लिया 2-3 दिन में. कांग्रेट्स ब्रो. इसके लिए मैं तुम्हें मोटिवेट कर रहा था कि करो, तुम्हें एक बार बन जाएगा ना, तुम्हें बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा. नाउ यू वुड बी फीलिंग सो कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दिस. आई एम गेसिंग these are your discussions asynchronously. JS का कोड प्लेलिस्ट. पार्थ भाई ग्राइंड कर रहे हैं. यस, पार्थ इज बिकमिंग लेजेंड नाउ. इट्स गुड पार्थ. I really, this is hard for you bro. It isn't hard for you Parth. Tutorial and GPT, that's good bro. मैंने भी बहुत मिस्टेक करके लर्न करने में अब सही जगह आया हूँ लगता है. यस, यही तो है भाई प्रोसेस. जस्ट keep learning, keep exploring other things. You will understand कि this works for me, this doesn't work for me. There is no particular unique roadmap for everyone. Everyone has their own individual unique roadmap to follow. कौस्तुभ ब्रो, हेलो कौस्तुभ. एक दिन इंटरव्यू रह जाएगा और मैं फनी ब्रो, फनी. एक दिन इंटरव्यू रह जाएगा और मैं निकल जाऊंगा. वाह भाई वाह. ओके भैया, मैं प्रोजेक्ट की लिस्ट का वेट करूंगा. यस सर, यस सर, यस सर. नाउ दैट लेट मी राइट इट डाउन. मैं भूल ना जाऊं. मेरे को याद देते रहना भाई, कोई ये नहीं है. तुम मेरे को गाली दे सकते हो भाई. गाली दे के बता सकते हो कि भाई साले ये बना के दे हमें, मैं बना दूंगा भाई. आई एम नॉट अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर, सो मेरे को बुरा नहीं लगेगा. ये प्रोजेक्ट लिस्ट देना स्ट्रीम एंड में. अरे नहीं, मैं रिसर्च करूंगा ना भाई. अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स लेके आऊंगा. मेरे पास थोड़ी है कि मेरे पास मैं लेके बैठा हूँ. 1-2 प्रोजेक्ट्स पता होंगे मेरे को, लेकिन अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स. व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल क्रिएट माय ओन marking system of the projects, and based on that I'll get a list of like 50 projects and उस पे mark करूँगा कौन से projects performing high, and only those projects will come in the list. Okay. ये बहुत ही खराब पोस्चर लग रहा है मेरे को. नीचे से कैमरा आता है तो I don't feel. I want this paginated response. So can you give me standard response so that I can implement. So paginated I'll need everywhere in this project, no? In the connected accounts as well, maybe somebody can come and connect a ton of different accounts, so that's where also I'll need. So Brother, deployment is difficult for Spring Boot backend as there is no platform for free to deploy backend of Spring Boot. Bro, there is AWS, no? Dockerize, containerize it, everything. You guys are student. The AWS gives you 20 GB or $200 ka credit, no? 200 or $300 ka credit. Just deploy it and use it. What's there to not? Story flow. हाँ भैया, मैं तो क्लॉड से फ्रंट एंड बनाता हूँ. नाइस. बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर कोडिंग, नो? जो भी क्लॉड कोड लिख रहा है, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट पार्ट. नाउ एंड आई इंटेंशनली डू इट. नाइस. अब तो आदत सी है ऐसी जी. मी टू माई डिजायर जॉब, गुचू पुचू तुम कहा. पीएम को तोड़ दिया. नहीं भाई, स्ट्रीम बैन हो जाएगा भाई, ऐसे मत बोलो. Is my message not visible in the chat? Yes, it's visible. I read it, no? Brother, deployment is difficult for Spring Boot. We did on the stream day, maybe 97, 98, we actually deployed Spring Boot project and front-end project completely to the AWS. That's for free. Not, we didn't spend a penny on that. So you can do that, bro. Dockerize your application, get the container, deploy it on the cloud computer, and you can easily access it through anywhere. स्टोरी फ्लो है रेडियो मैसेज. भैया, आपने जो ऑटोमेटेड चार्टबॉट बनाया था वो मैं भी बना सकता हूँ कि आपकी चार्ट में बात करने के लिए मेरी जगह रिप्लाई कर दे चार्ट को और आप दोनों को भी. देयर कैन बी, आई नॉट, I'm not sure, bro, because every chat has its own chat ID, and that chat ID is linked to a particular YouTube account. So maybe not. You cannot override my chat because it detects. I'm not sure. You can try, bro, but currently focus on your project. ये सब बकचोदी बाद में कर लेना, पहले अपना प्रोजेक्ट पूरा करो. Now that you are able to create APIs and all, that's a good progress. Of course, it's visible. Backend deployment, one message, right? Yeah. Exactly, bro. AWS free tier expired, brother. अरे किसी और का ले लो. एक ही नंबर थोड़ी है फैमिली में. मम्मी पापा के नंबर है, उनके नंबर डाल के नया अकाउंट बना लो, यूज कर लो. उसको हमेशा यूज करके डिलीट कर लिया करो, बिकॉज इट एग्जॉस्ट योर ऑल द मनी. और मे बी यूज एज्योर डेवऑप्स, उसमें भी तुम्हें 300 क्रेडिट्स मिलते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो बेटर ऑप्शन. कितने दिन में सीख लिया OJS? अगर मेरे बकचोदी करने से कोई मुस्कुराता है, माई डे बिकम्स गुड. कौस्तुभ, रुलाओगे क्या भाई? अभी आज पार्ट 2 पे भी जा रहा हूँ मैं. इसी बात पे लोकल स्टोरेज तक पहुंचना होगा. रमन पलियाल. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Recommend any good YouTube channel for production level full stack application mon stack. Well, chai with code is good, bro. That I know. रेस्ट तो मैं इतना फॉलो नहीं करता किसी को, सो आई डोंट नो. स्टोरी फ्लो, आई हैव अ डाउट. Will not free tier finish early if I keep my EC2 running for deployed application? No, yeah, it will be finished, bro. Don't keep it running, na. That's what I'm saying. उसको फोर्स स्टॉप कर दो, उसको बंद कर दो. नहीं तो तुम्हारा पैसा खा जाएगा भाई. तुम्हारी प्रॉपर्टी में से हिस्सा ले लेगा AWS. भैया, मैं जिनकी लाइव देखता हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ उनकी लाइव में ऑटोमेटेड रिप्लाई दूँ चैट को और होस्ट को भी. यू कैन ट्राई, ब्रो. आई एम नॉट श्योर. यू कैन आस्क इट टू ChatGPT ना, इज इट पॉसिबल और नॉट. इट कैन गिव यू एन आंसर. आज मैंने उसको बंद रखा है चैट ब्रेन को, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही मैसेज कर रहा है. वो परेशान सा करने लग गया है वो अभी. डू यू नो हरकिरत? यस सर. हरकिरत को कौन नहीं जानता, ब्रो. हरकिरत इज ऑल्सो गुड. मेरे को नाम याद नहीं आ रहा था, बट या हरकिरत इज नाइस. Yeah, so it has given us this success message: order fetch successfully, data ID this. Pagination object. Yeah, it has created this pagination object, total elements, and this. माझी लागली. Anybody here listens to in case Marathi songs? Any Marathi songs? Success API response. So this is there, and let me go to this file, and यहाँ पे I need a paginated success API response. So paginated API success response. Yeah, add. This type of pagination I want to have it. And what does API success response has? Record. So can I, this is wrong. This is wrong. It should have been a record. तुझ्या फिरतीचा हा इंसुमलाचा वाला. It should be of type record. Okay, paginated response. ब्रदर स्प्रिंग बूट हेवी है, वर्सल का पैसा होगा. यस, वर्सल आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड इट प्रो. जेएस तो मुझे आती ही नहीं है, सीपीपी आती है, मैं डायरेक्ट बैकएंड बनाना सीख रहा हूँ. दैट्स नाइस. भाई क्या मैं भी पार्थ भाई की तरह बैकएंड में आने से ट्राई करूँ जेएस के बाद? अथर्व, आई टोल्ड यू schedule one call ना. You schedule one call with me. We will have a discussion on your progress. I know what you have done, and we will figure out for you. हाँ, सबका टेलीग्राम में लीक है, मैंने उसका देख के सीखा था वेब सॉकेट्स वगैरह. ड्यूड रिटर्न पेजेबल क्या है? आई मेरे को ज़्यादा पता नहीं है ना. आई रियली डोंट नो मेनी लाइब्रेरीज अबाउट जावा. सो इफ यू आर सजेस्टिंग समथिंग देन आई विल श्योरली यूज इट. व्हाट इज पे, लेट मी. अबे यार, एक कॉपी क्यों नहीं हो रहा? लेट मी सर्च व्हाट इज पेजेबल इन जावा. I come from a JavaScript background, so I know many things about JavaScript. Pageable is a central interface from Spring Data Framework. Oh, okay. There is something inbuilt that I don't need to build it. Okay. Thanks for this. Who shared this? Shad programmer. Okay, thanks bro. आप लॉम्बॉक बिल्कुल भी यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ ना. सिंस दिस प्रोजेक्ट आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग लॉम्बॉक थोड़ा बहुत, बट आई एम स्टिल, I want my fingers to be trained writing the code. Spring already built all of this. Okay. I wasn't sure about this. Thank you for letting me know. In your JPA, use the page and sorted some class that can get this object. Okay. मैंने Node.js पे काम किया हुआ है, वहाँ पे तो we build it by ourselves. So that's how I started it. यहाँ लोग मैसेज लिखने में डर जाते हैं, मैं कॉल में कैसे आ सकता हूँ? अलग से कॉल में आ जाना, नॉट ऑन द स्ट्रीम बट आफ्टर द स्ट्रीम ऑन वीकेंड्स. पेजेबल हेल्प्स विद पेजिनेशन. ओ थैंक यू गाइज. मैं एक बार पढ़ लेता हूँ पेजेबल के बारे में, मेरे को पता नहीं था. अच्छा क्वेश्चन लाना होगा. यस सर. बदर बी वेरी केयरफुल विद द डेटा एनोटेशंस इन द एंटिटीज. ओके, बताओ भाई, अगर ऐसे कोई चीज़ें मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ तो कीप टेलिंग मी. वाह, मेरे को म्यूजिक का आवाज़ बढ़ाना है मोबाइल से. मैं लैपटॉप का बटन आवाज़ बढ़ा रहा हूँ कब से. मैं बोल रहा हूँ आवाज़ क्यों नहीं आ रहा भाई? Pageable default size 20. Let's read about it now. One thing for almost everything is something already present in Java Spring Boot. You just have to find it. Yeah, कैसे वो कैसे पता चलेगा? Pageable, I wouldn't have thought about it. Neither ChatGPT has said me, told me कि अरे ये exist करता है. भैया ये तो मेजर प्रोजेक्ट हो जाएगा मेरा. ChatGPT मेरे प्रोजेक्ट की डिफिकल्टी हाई बता रहा है. Parth, first finish your project which you have started. Guys, kindly like the stream, यार. जावास्क्रिप्ट करने के बाद देखते हैं वैसे आई लाइक लॉजिक वाली चीज़. यस. Shared programmer. Anyone want to learn Java and Spring plus AI? Ping me. I'll help you cover all the concepts for sure. I'll teach you. Oh, that's nice. Express पकड़ ले. अच्छा, मैंने बहुत ही गलत पढ़ा भाई उसको. अभी जे स्टार्ट हुआ है गोद भाई. Where you stuck? Let me know. I'll need to log off. Yeah, you can log off, bro. Thanks for this help. page enable जो भी तुमने बताया. यूज क्लॉड बेटर. अपनी स्टेटमेंट दो. उसका उसका सोल्यूशन होगा. कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकता है वो? क्लॉड में पैसा देना पड़ेगा ना ब्रो. आई डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड. क्लॉड में ऑफिस में यूज़ करता हूँ बट पर्सनली आई यूज चैट जीपीटी एंड कोडेक्स. कोई ना एक दिन हो जाएगा. आता हूँ भैया थोड़ी चीज़ें बना कर. यस सर. लाइक डन बाय द वे लाइव. लाइक डन बाय द वे लिव ऑन. एंजॉय योर रेस्ट ऑफ द डे. गुड नाइट. गुड नाइट. ओके 5 क्लाउड अकाउंट्स. दैट्स नाइस. लेट मी रीड अबाउट दिस पेजेबल. क्या है ये? अच्छी बात तुम लोगों ने बताई है. रिटर्न अ पेजेबल रिक्वेस्टिंग द फर्स्ट पेज. स्टैटिक मेथड. इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करना है भाई? हृदय वसंत फुलताना प्रेमा सरंग. Yes, I was in a front end. Do you think that was a good choice? Yeah, front end is also good, bro. See, I have built this, bro. Story flow. So I built this application and I wanted to have all the orders combined under the one hood, one place. So that's what I have built, and the basic version is there. Now I have tested it and found out these 9 points that I want to improve on. The paginated response is one of them, and this is the structure of the app that I want to have. So basic things are working now, just the improvements part, and I'll be ready to go, ready to use this application, and my life will be simpler, much simpler after this. Prema sarangayave. I'm sorry. चैट जीपीटी को मैं बता देता हूँ. I don't want ChatGPT to figure out many things for me. At least I should figure out the things, and ChatGPT will just write the code for me. how it works: response, entity, get orders, pageable default, page 0 size 20, page. Okay, so I don't need one more interface clearly. I need only one order response, for example, like this. Paginated response. It has created this paginated response. uh, do you think that was a good choice? Application motive or what project is related to? I've told you, no? I explained you. It's just custom DTO wrapper. It is not built into Spring. Create a record or a class, not not an interface. Paginated response, paginated metadata. Okay. गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट। आई नो 12 बजे ख़त्म करना होता है स्ट्रीम, 12 साढ़े 12 बजे तक, बट या थोड़ा सा कंटिन्यू करेंगे, कुछ तो प्रोग्रेस हो। Guys, kindly like the stream. Don't do these things. Kindly like the stream. लोग हिंदी डिमांड करते हैं, क्या करो, इंग्लिश का रूल बना रखा है ब्रो। अपने अपने यहाँ तो ऐसे मिक्स चलेगा सब, ऑल लैंग्वेजेस मिक्स्ड। Okay, let me figure out how to use this paginated response. It has given me this. I have a codex running in this one. So let me go to codex. I want my orders API or a, a generalized way to paginate my response, maybe using pageable. How can we do it? Guys, kindly like the stream, like the stream. किसी को एडवाइस देते टाइम हिंदी में शिफ्ट कर लेना चाहिए, सोच रहा हूँ। या इट्स अप टू द chat, na? It's up to the subscriber who is asking you question. If he's asking in English, answer in English. If he's asking in Hindi, answer him in Hindi. If you know any third language, then it's also fine. Let's go with Hindi. Yes, sir. Hey, can you tell me one thing? If Hindi plus English is called English, okay? Hindi plus English is called English, the new slang. What would you call Hindi plus Bengali? Give me funny answers only. Oh, my draft example, it has picked up the code that I wrote. Yeah, what we changed into Docker. So this is URL shortener. पाकडीचा कांदा तुझा मिरचीचा तोरा. Do not use that. Tell me how to implement it like the standard way. डालिए. No. Oh, और आंसर बताओ. Taksh Suvarna, hello bro, how are you sir? Hello man, what's up? How's life? How's everything? Random music. अबे मोटिवेटेड इवेंट्स पूरा दिन यही रहता है क्या? अरे स्ट्रीम पे रहता है, ऐसे मत बोलो भाई. ही इज अ मॉडरेटर. ही स्ट्रीम्स हियर ब्रो. सब बढ़िया, आप बताओ. हम भी बढ़िया भाई. He joins after 1 hour bro. He streams. He also streams, he also learns, he shares, we discuss what is correct. So like this page and this should be asked. Placed at decreasing, ID decreasing, and null place decreasing, generic response. So page metadata I have to create, that is correct. Okay, let's create this then. Page response. Instead of that, create new Java class, page response record. Yeah, add, and this should be of type T, and it's saying it would be of type list. T content and not page number, page metadata. This is what it is. What is this from page? Okay, page metadata is correct. Then page this, let me add the constructor, canonical constructor. Page content copy of, I'm not sure about this part, and static content I have a different channel. ये तो इंडी भाई का है. Yes. Wanna see? Yes, share bro, share. You can share YouTube link over here bro. Yes. अरे नूब मत बोलो भाई, खुद के बारे में कभी नेगेटिव ना बोले जनाब. मैं भी स्ट्रीमिंग स्टार्ट करने का सोच रहा था, बट रात में माँ बाप सोने के बाद बात नहीं कर सकते. तो स्टार्ट अ साइलेंट स्ट्रीम ब्रो. यूज, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डीफ लैंग्वेज. You can. Just don't give any excuses. Just start, bro. Search Atharva DSA journey on YouTube. तक्षक भाई होता है कोई ना. तक्षक इज ऑल्सो दैट गेमर ना, उसका भी नाम तक्षक ही है शायद. गुरु हरी. गुरु हरी. हेलो हेलो ब्रो. हाय ब्रो, हाउ आर यू मैन, हाउ आर यू, हाउस लाइफ. भाई एक बंदा माइनक्राफ्ट बिल्ड कर रहा है स्क्रैच से, क्रेजी इन सी प्लस प्लस, क्रैक बंदा है. अभी बिगिनर हूँ. यस तक्षक भाई. I can tell it to implement for me. Implement this. Value page order. So in the front end, I have to like do this. Does React have now for the React part? Let me search. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? In Angular we have, क्या बोलते हैं Angular में exception handler and उसको what does global HTTP injector, yeah, HTTP interceptor, yeah. Does React have HTTP interceptor? No, React does not have built-in interceptor feature, but React is only a user interface library and does not handle network requests. To use interceptors in React, you must use external network library Axios or a custom wrapper around the browser's native fetch API. How to use interceptors in React? Use Axios, create a custom instance with Axios create and add request or response handlers via Axios interceptors. Common use cases: automatically attach login tokens to headers or cache 401. Okay, so our application does not have Axios right now. We need to add Axios to it. फ्रंट एंड की चीज़ें कल करेंगे, आज बैकएंड. ओके, Axios नहीं है तो ओके, वी विल डू दैट Axios पार्ट. कौन से गेमर का नाम तक्षक है? मेरा तो रियल नेम तक्षक है. तक्षक है भाई, वो पबजी खेलता था कुछ, उसमें है तक्षक, फेमस था बहुत. Where do you learn Java and Spring Boot? From ChatGPT, from YouTube, and most importantly from this documentation, bro. Java Spring Boot documentation. I'm doing projects and all, practice करके सीख रहा हूँ, bro. I've solved lead code problems, almost 90 lead code problems on Java. उसके बाद I got थोड़ा confidence in Java syntaxes. No idea, bro. Only React पता है. React and React Native is same, bro. वर्जन 0 ही है. Guys, kindly like the stream. Come on, don't fuck around. Why interceptor this centralized global error handling, request transformation, okay, response transformation, authorization handling. Authorization handling is there, commonly used for managing authorization, understood. Axios, okay, Axios is the one that okay, I have to create an simple TS file and do this callback function base endpoint API key, okay, const API Axios base endpoint API interceptor request use, okay, API interceptors use. If API key is this, return config enter, okay. Callback, it's a callback function. Config headers this XSPI key. अच्छा, following fetch API request intercept, custom one intercept. Okay, this is too much, but I understood with the Axios now. Okay. भाई आप तो कंसिस्टेंट हो. फर्स्ट स्ट्रीम 40 मिनट और अभी 2 घंटे से नीचे स्ट्रीम नहीं है. एक्सीलेंट, कीप इट अप ब्रो. ही इज रियली गुड. he started from some problem. He was like into some big issue, but now he tackled all those problems and now streaming, learning on the daily basis and shares his update. He's like growing really fast. Implement this. फ्रंट एंड अपना मोबाइल ऐप सारे रिक्वेस्ट फेच ही नहीं कर पा रहा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इशू. This is the most important part that we need to implement. Now, what's the response that we are getting? Not this API, this API. I have to like reload this. Okay, it's still the same. It did not change that part because back to chats. मेरे को एक चीज बताओ, आवाज मेरी आज सही आ रही है अथर्व? आज जोर से आवाज आ रही होगी है ना, अच्छे से एकदम क्लियर? इज इट? सही है यार, करते रहो, बढ़ते रहो, फोकस ऑन सिस्टम नॉट ऑन द गोल्स. ट्रू. या इसलिए अभी तो रोड मैप नहीं है, पैटर्न ऑब्जर्विंग. यस, नोड मेलर यूज करने वाला ही क्या. अभिषेक शर्मा भी है एक यूट्यूबर, डूइंग स्ट्रीम्स ऑन सेम टॉपिक्स. वो भी काफ़ी कंसिस्टेंट है, उसका ग्रोथ क्रेजी हुआ, ऑलमोस्ट 10K हो गया उसका. यस यस यस, आई हैव सीन ब्रो. The advantage he have is like he's a freelancer, no? He's not हमारे तरह नौकर नहीं है भाई वो, जो मैनेजर का सुनने के लिए जाना पड़ता है ऑफिस जिनको. क्लियर आती है आवाज? ओके नाइस. नहीं, आज मैंने थोड़ा गेनर ऐड किया इस पे, सो इट शुड गेन सम आवाज. क्या हो गया इसको भाई प्रॉब्लम? कितने का माइक है? दिस माइक इज ऑफ 10,000 रुपीज. दिस वन इज फॉर 10,000 रुपीज. आवाज एकदम क्लियर आ रही है. यस, मैं एकदम एयरपोर्ट के बाजू में रहता हूँ, तो मेरे को कुछ चाहिए था जो नॉइस कैंसिल कर दे, और इतना भी नहीं कि मेरी भी स्मॉल नॉइस कैंसिल कर दे. क्यों ये बकचोदी कर रहा है मेरे साथ? आवाज फोन को 7 साल होने वाले. खुद को बेचूंगा तो भी ऊपर के नहीं. कहाँ से लाऊंगा? कहाँ रहते हो आप? मैं पुणे में रहता हूँ ब्रो, विमान नगर, एकदम एयरपोर्ट के बाजू में रहता हूँ मैं. एंड्रॉयड 12 मैसेज करने के लिए कीबोर्ड खोलने में अरे हमने भी वैसे ही ये किया है ब्रो. आई हैव यूज्ड यू नो, मैंने तो फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर में यूज टैब, ये साइज का टैब था मेरे पास हमारे सिटी में, बिकॉज आई क्रैक दी जेई एडवांस एग्जाम, रैंक वैंक आ गया था. तो सिटी में जो अपना ये होता है ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पॉलिटिशियन, सो ही ऑर्गेनाइज एन इवेंट एंड हम सबको आप सैमसंग के टैब टैब्स आए थे तब नए नए, तो ही गेव दैट सैमसंग टैब्स एंड आई यूज्ड टू कॉल ऑन दिस टैब्स बिकॉज मेरे पास फोन नहीं था. आई यूज टैब फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 years in college life. Happens bro, happens. So it has added this page model from page. टेस्ट फाइल्स भी ऐड कर रहा है, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए टेस्ट वगैरह ना. आई रियली डोंट केयर अबाउट टेस्ट. ओके, लेट इट इम्प्लीमेंट दिस टाइम. गाइज लाइक कर दो यार स्ट्रीम को. एटलीस्ट 20 लाइक्स तो हो, तब मैं जाके सुकून से सो पाऊँ. मेरा ये पहला लैपटॉप पे जिस पे सही में कुछ पढ़ रहा हूँ. पहले GTA सैन एंड्रेस बहुत पसंद था, मेरे को भी बहुत पसंद था GTA सैन एंड्रेस बचपन में यार. हाउ डू यू प्ले GTA सैन एंड्रेस राइट नाउ गाइस? कैन आई प्ले इट ऑन मैकबुक? यस, बिफोर कोविड या. वक्त है यहाँ. इट्स टेकिंग टू मच ऑफ टाइम. इतना क्या लिख रहा है भाई? पेज रिस्पॉन्स, ओके, ये हमने लिखा था. Select order record from order where order record dot user dot id user id order by case place stat is null and then else 1 else 0. Order record placed at this descending order. Achha, now this is a page and this will work now, no? So let me go in this tab. Let me first check Docker execute an integrated terminal. I need Docker PS. Docker execute an integrated terminal. This and give me bin slash bash mysql -u. I'm using wrong password. What the fuck, bro? I did logged in using these things. Password is correct only. Hmm. Use orders hub. Show tables. Select star from orders. Okay, these are the only orders it has fetched. Select count 21. Okay, only 21 records. So let me do one thing. Let me docker compose a backend. Let's test it in the front end. So front end should fail at this point. 20 likes. Thank you guys. when हम टेक के वीडियोस है मैकबुक पे गेमिंग ओके आप बिना चार्जिंग 5 आवर्स स्ट्रीम कर सकते हो मैक पे यस कर सकता हूँ लेकिन मैं हमेशा चार्ज पे मेरे पास डॉकिंग स्टेशन है सो डॉकिंग स्टेशन आई विल चार्ज इट यस सर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द लाइक्स गाइज एंड it is started so let me reload the mobile application now. Backend returned an invalid. Yes, यही मेरे को चाहिए था because it will now our response has changed. Let's see. I'll show you why. Now I have to make the changes in the front end side because orders is now giving the response in the form of payload message, payload, and then this. Okay, so this I need to change. So in the front end में कहाँ अपन ने उसको किया था ऑर्डर सर्विस orders API error get orders so get orders कहाँ पे यूज किया है not in the test file response set orders response dot payload ही है ना response dot payload dot orders order response. This is not order response, this is of type I need to have this created in the front end now. Where should I create these files? Service hooks, home, theme, auth, features. Let me create a new folder over here. Let me name it as response and let me create a new file. API, this is a front end, a small API success response .ts and one more, or maybe just API response. Rename because it's React, Java, TypeScript. We can have like this API response. Okay, and in this one, const interface, export interface, I API success response, and then it is T, and then this, and we need this type. Okay, copy object. So let me paste this. शुभाचं होणार. So this is boolean. ठीक है. This message, and this would be of type string. Okay. And then this payload. So this should payload. There is extra bracket. Yeah. Let me simplify this. Sorry if it feels little bored, but this is what we want. कितने रिकॉर्ड है भाई? Okay, so last synced at is it for all? No, it's not for all, it's just for this message success payload. Okay, so I can ask, instead of me doing this, give me interface out of this. Sorry, I missed some text. भैया अगर आपके 1 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर तो जॉब क्विट. यस करेंगे, जॉब क्विट भी करेंगे. यस सर, जॉब क्विट तो करना है एक दिन यार. कितने दिन दूसरे की चाकरी करेंगे भाई. Vivek Pradhan, what are you doing, bro? Bro, I have created this app, Orders SaaS. अभी यहाँ पे एक API मैंने change किया, API response, so that's why it's not showing. But let me show you. कहाँ है? Yes, this. So this is an Orders hub that I have created. I want to bring all my orders under one application so that I can have its OTP, delivery status, everything to be marked in one place, so that I don't have to look out for other things, and I should also get notified which orders are coming today, so that I'll be aware कि हाँ मेरे को आज बाहर जाने से पहले I have to plan this delivery. So because the life is so fast, I need this. Welcome to the stream. Yes sir. Failed response also make me happy to know it's working. Yeah. And I was going to invoke the certification now. Yes sir. Now happily you sleep after knowing you made something new today, sleeping and smiling. Thank you so much आदित्य मिश्रा. तुम मेरे को समझ पा रहे हो. True आदित्य भाई. Yes. आज 40 लाइक्स हो सकते हैं. हेल जावास्क्रिप्ट. Yes sir. 40 लाइक्स हो सकते हैं भाई, हमने किया है 40 लाइक्स, 45 48 लाइक्स किए है। सागर शिवाचा होणार। Order API response.ts. Bhaiya, how did you learn so much as your first job was not technical and your branch is non-tech? Yes, sir. Bro, my skill is to learn. My skill is I learn. तुम लोगों को विश्वास नहीं होगा लेकिन मेरा कोर स्किल इज लर्न। मेरे को सीखने में इतना मजा आता है ना कि मैं कुछ भी सीखता हूँ। मेरे को कभी कोई कुछ बोल दे कि भाई तुम्हें ये नहीं आता, यू डोंट नो दिस, आई टेक इट वेरी सीरियसली एंड आई लिटरली लर्न ब्रो। नॉट ओनली टेक पार्ट इन द इन लाइफ ऑल्सो, लाइक एक बार हमारा हुआ था कॉलेज में, लाइक मेरे को खेलने को नहीं मिल रहा था क्रिकेट। आई यूज टू बॉल ओनली स्पिन बॉलिंग, सो आई स्पेंट अ ईयर एंड आई लर्न टू फास्ट बॉलिंग। नाउ मेरे बॉलिंग कोई फेस करके बताए बस उसकी जान ले लूंगा, मैं इतनी बढ़िया बॉलिंग डालता हूँ अभी मैं। यस, तुमने सही पकड़ा है बादल पर। Did it create correct order item, order merchant key? Okay, these all things it has. Content. It is content of. Okay, order content. Sync order response. Okay, this is what we want, sync order response. Quick add import, and it is of this type only. Okay, this much is, and use orders. So get orders, promise, not order response. Oh, I'm sorry, this should be T. I API response, it should be of type. अरे इसके अंदर रे भैया, I API response and then sync order response. Okay, so add import. Okay, now this function API return the order response is missing. This type. Okay, now it is correct. Dot payload dot orders. Yeah, now it's correct. Orders API error, that is correct. This should save, and here this response content I success. So let's see what it gives. Payload dot orders. This order should be, guys, kindly like the stream. It is not an array though. Oh, it want content. Set orders content. So it is of type uh, orders content. Oh, it want orders का this. So I have to keep this as this. यहाँ पे I need to fix it. Orders dot content. Dot. No, content is fine. Argument of order array is not assignable to set action order array. Set action order array. Can you fix this line? Last synctat, so it's straightforward. Payload dot last synctat. This line is only the issue. Don't do masti, bro. Don't do masti. Just fix only one line. Masti में ना करें आप. हो जाए फिर भैया 1 ओवर का मैच. ऑफ कोर्स कभी भी भाई, कभी भी. जगह बताओ, ग्राउंड तुम्हारा, जगह तुम्हारी, बॉल हमारा. मेरे प्रोजेक्ट में इतने एरर आते हैं तो डायरेक्ट कॉपी पेस्ट ऑन चैट जीपीटी. आपकी डिबगिंग स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी है. टिप्स कोई? डिबगिंग कर करके सीखा जाता है ब्रो. आई एम गुड एट जावास्क्रिप्ट ओवरऑल, बट आई एम नॉट गुड एट जावा दैट मच. मतलब इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ अभी जावा में. मेरे को और प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है. यू हैव सीन दैट मैं भी जावा का एरर्स वगैरह चैट जीपीटी को ही देता हूँ, लेकिन फ्रंट एंड जावास्क्रिप्ट एंड ऑल आई कैन इजीली डू दैट. My brain works in JavaScript. The order service updated the validation check. I've updated the backend response, parsing content array. Order service updated response instead of response payload orders. See, I'll do this. TS2345 set something here. This is some React specific error. React करके मेरे को 4-5 साल हो गए. I'm doing after so many years React. मेरे प्रोजेक्ट में इतने ये पढ़ा मैंने. मैच के लिए भैया आपको जयपुर आना पड़ेगा. यस सर, मेरे को एक बार राजस्थान आना ही है. मैंने आज तक राजस्थान नहीं आया हो ब्रो. माय फ्रेंड्स आर फ्रॉम जयपुर बट आई नेवर विजिटेड जयपुर. आई लाइक दाल बाटी सो मच बट आई नेवर विजिटेड राजस्थान. Hey, what it did? Let's reload this. Error unregistered device. अरे आप ना चिंता करें भाईजान. Dismiss. We need a good logo for this. It worked. Reconnect dev tools. Yeah, this is what I want my response to look like. इसको बोलते हैं कीड़ा. कि पहले भी ये काम कर रहा था लेकिन मेरे को ऐसे ही चाहिए. मेरे को चाहिए कि मैसेज दिखे ऑर्डर्स फेज सक्सेसफुली, पेलोड एंड देन सक्सेस स्टेटस, एंड अंडर द पेलोड द एक्चुअल रिस्पॉन्स शुड कम. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? गांड का कीड़ा बोलते हैं कि वो तुम्हें नहीं सोने देता. बिकॉज आई वांट दिस पेजिनेशन. लेट्स सी इफ दिस इज वर्किंग और ये टाइम पास हो गया अपना. ए अगला कॉल क्यों नहीं जा पा रहा? Because it removed infinite orders. ये this file has been removed. Why? Infinite scrolling should work. It's giving this page has next true, has previous false, page 0, size 20, total elements 21 and total pages. अपना infinite scroll क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा? Why it deleted this file? Why this hook has been deleted? Use infinite orders. If I discard these changes, restore file, if I reload this, भैया आपका होम टाउन कहाँ है? माई होम टाउन इज इन महाराष्ट्र ब्रो. Currently I'm in Pune. My hometown is also in Maharashtra. You wouldn't know that place. फ्रंट एंड के चेंजेस कल करते हैं, मेरे को लग रहा है. अभी लेट हो गया है, कल उठ के जिम भी जाना है. I understood the problem. Infinite scroll is not working. The point is, it is working. This order is correct. So once this is correct, I have to write my own infinite order scroll, because this object I need to manipulate. So headers में I'm sending only this. So this should not go like this. You know, actually it should go like this. यहाँ पे ये हो page equal to 2 and size equal to 20, something like this. Then it will work. So that is what I want. So ये अपने को change करना पड़ेगा this URL. So guys, kindly like the stream, bros before hoes. Kindly like the stream. So this I understood. We'll change the front end का changes tomorrow. Back end के changes हमने आज जो करे हैं. Let me push those changes. Paginated response. So this is working. Let me add this. And thank you chat for telling me this pageable object. I never knew about this. So implemented paginated response for orders. I just want to see how the controller has been changed. Authentication principal, pageable default, size 20 and pageable. New API success response, orders fetch successfully and query service get orders. Yeah, okay, understood this part. Orders list response. Okay, this is nice. कहाँ तक पढ़ा था मैंने? messages, back to messages. Hello sir, currently I am learning full stack development. Tell me how to find good job. Bro, you have to apply everywhere. Like on LinkedIn, you can use automated Chrome extension which applies job on behalf of you. So use that, use Naukri platform और जो भी है Indeed वगैरह, जहाँ पे भी you can apply for the jobs. Keep applying, keep improving your resume, and most importantly, keep improving your skills. That's the only way to get into good job, bro. डेली क्वेश्चन लीड कोड का कर लो जाने से पहले. ब्रो अभी लीड कोड का ताकत नहीं बचा है मेरे में भाई. नमस्ते जावास्क्रिप्ट मोटिवेट. अच्छा, यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अनदर अकाउंट. राइजिंग रिलिक. यो ब्रो, बादल भाई ने बोला है लीड कोड प्रॉब्लम करने को यार. ग्राफ का क्वेश्चन होगा तो करते, नहीं तो नहीं करते. 1 घंटा लगता है यार एक क्वेश्चन करने में. फुलवंती फुलवंती. This is not a graph question. It's a hash table. I currently completed my BSc CS degree. Should I do MCA per job? Bro, I would suggest you keep applying for the jobs for next 1-2 months, and if not, you can start with your post graduation like MCA and all. That would really help you because currently the job market is really unstable. So you have to keep your legs on both the stones, no? Keep searching for the jobs and keep applying. Keep like जो भी तुम्हारा masters, whatever the masters you want to do, keep pursuing that as well. Because the current market situation is weird, so that's why I'm saying this. What is this question? You are given an integer array nums consisting of unique integers. बादल ने गलत गलत चीज दे दी यार करने. लेट मी सी. कोड पुश हो गया ना फर्स्ट. नहीं, कोड पुश नहीं हुआ. तू चाल रे पुढं पुढं रे तुला भीती कशाची. गेट वर्सेस जॉब. व्हाट यू प्रेफर? जॉब. पुणे में है क्या फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट जॉब? बहुत है पुणे में ब्रो. देयर आर सो मेनी जॉब्स इन पुणे. Pune has so many IT jobs, full stack jobs. You can apply, bro. Badal, help me in solving this problem now that you have said me to solve this before going away. You are given an integer array nums consisting of unique integers. Okay, unique integers say array num integer nums. Originally nums contained every integer within a certain range. Nums contained every integer within a certain range. However, some integers might have gone missing from the array. अच्छा, certain range सारे integers है, but some integers might have gone missing from the array. The smallest and largest integer of the smallest and largest integer of the range are still present. Okay, those are not missing. Return a sorted list of all the missing integers in this range. If no integers are missing, return an empty list. 1, 4, 2, 3. So 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Explanation: the smallest integer is 1 and the largest 5. So the full range should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 and 5 should not be. Is it in the return a sorted list? Is this list already sorted? Marathi आहे. Yes sir, Marathi आहे. I'm a Marathi bro. I'm a Maharashtrian. भीती कशाची परवा न कोणाची. Bro, this MacBook is fucking with me. The smallest thing I have one question, like smallest integer is the first and largest integer is last. Is it so always? Five and one, not always. 5 and 1. 2, 3, 4. What are you saying? Just find minimum and max element. Minimum and max element. Okay. How much experience do you have? I have 5 plus experience. 5 plus years of experience. Guys, kindly like the stream, yara. Don't forget to like the stream. So these are like unique numbers. So bro is saying just find int max from this one. how to find int max and int min. This is what Badal is saying. To find the minimum and maximum, do we have to iterate on this? So maybe this can be 0 and this can be 0, and then we can have a for loop on this one. Int num on nums. Okay, and max is equal to math dot max out of 0 comma num, right? And minimum is equal to math dot min from 0 comma min, sorry, 0 comma num, not 0, it's max, it's min. Okay, this is how we'll, okay, this won't be always 0, it would be nums, maybe nums 0, nums 0. Okay, what next, Badal? What next I have to do? Find max and min. So if I remove max minus min, how many it would be? Like, for example, 5 minus 1, 4, or not 5. So it should have 5 elements, correct? So ideally it means nums should have max elements. If not, we just have to like run another loop and check for that. Is it so? How much full stack development में AI कैसे कर सकते हैं? I have created so many projects, bro. There is one chat brain that I have created that is also full stack project, but it uses AI. You have to just automate one of the thing, not complete project full stack का, but एक कोई project, एक कोई चीज होगा. For example, in this our orders app, I want the logo of this Amazon. For example, this is Amazon, this is my store, this is Instamart. I cannot go and find logos of all these and maintain the data, but I can integrate an AI in such a way that I'll give it a skill, I'd create a skill and make that AI whenever a company name like @amazon.com. Okay, so it will go search Amazon, get the suitable logo. It cannot be the perfect logo, it can fetch the suitable logo and give me the logo and it will attach. So that part I can do. So for this part I can use AI. So that's how you can integrate AI, not completely, but this small things, iterate in the range from min to max and check whether the element is present in the nums or not. If present, push it to integer. Okay, bro, अगर इन्होंने हैश मैप दिया है तो हाँ, अपन एक सिंपल सा हैश सेट यूज कर लेते हैं ना यहाँ पे. So set integer, because we have to find in this one num set is equal to new hash set. Okay, and इसमें अपने को सारे नंबर्स ऐड करने हैं. So we can add, if it would have been JavaScript, I can add directly over here, but Java में नहीं चलता ऐसे. I can add it here as well. numset dot add कि मेरे मधुबाला मैंने पनी है पागल झाला. Now he says कि iterate on this, iterate in the range from minimum to maximum. That's what I was also thinking. For int I is equal to minimum, I should be less than max and I plus plus, like this. And we have to check कि जो इसमें present नहीं है. So okay, we need an array list. Array list ही लगेगा, क्या लगेगा? During finding min and max. Yeah, understood. Guys, meanwhile, you kindly like the stream. So don't forget to like the stream. So we need एक integer list नाम ले लेते हैं और result नाम ले लेते हैं is equal to new array list. Okay, and we will just iterate on this. अगर इसमें नहीं होगा तो if present or if not present num set क्या होता है भाई present के लिए? I forgot the syntax. How to check if element present in the hatch set. फुल्लला contains पागल झाला. So अपने सेट में जो है num set dot contains this I. If not present then result dot add I. Okay, this is it. Result dot add, and what's the return type? It's list of integers. So return result. मेरा नाम है जो पूछे. अरे इट वर्कड ब्रो अब तो मेरे को लाइक चाहिए बेंचो. कंप्लीशन स्ट्रिक बना, अपना स्ट्रिक ब्रेक हो गया था यार बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. थैंक यू बादल. That's why I love C++ to code. It have easy STL implementation. One bug. कौन सा बग है बताओ? What's the bug? तूने दिल का तार जो खोला मन कामा तू नच गेला बोला भाई भाई मन मोराचा कसा पिसारा फुल्ला. What's the bug, bro? You deleted the bug. Okay, nice. कुठला आहेस बाबा? ब्रो बेसिकली आय एम फ्रॉम नांदेड पण आता पुण्यामध्ये आहे. शिक्षण मुंबईला झाले. ऑल फाइन. आय थिंक स्पेलिंग एरर. ओके okay, so we progressed on the app as well on the backend front, not on the front end front. Front end हम कल करेंगे. We solved the lead code problem as we should. So thank you all for joining and kindly do like the stream, guys. Do like the stream. Spelling error. I think spelling error. No, it worked. Where do you work? I work in currently Slumberger, bro. I've just changed the company. So my last company was Slumberger SLB. It's in Erwada, Commerce Zone. Should I give you one more question which I have good at, bro? मेरे को सुबह उठ के ऑफिस भी जाना है ब्रो. आई हैव टू गो एंड स्लीप. सर चेक माय कमेंट. साइलेंट साई कहाँ? हाउ मच एक्सपीरियंस डू यू हैव? आई आंसर्ड दिस. मराठी आहे सेस मराठी आहे. फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट में एआई कैसे कर सकते हैं? मैंने आंसर किया साइलेंट आई ब्रो. I've told you how to use AI in full stack. This is a full stack project that I did, bro. Yeah, gym bhi, yes, suba gym, then office. So I was telling you, Silent I, what's your name? Actual name, I am not sure. So for example, see how I can use AI in this one. This is a complete plain project, full stack project. But now I want to fetch the icons for this particular company. So I cannot have infinite, anybody can order from, no, recently one. Sir, check my comment. तुम्हारा दूसरा कमेंट नहीं दिख रहा भाई मेरे को. Let me check. No, recently one. Can you paste the chat again, bro? Because I'm not able to see this. Your last message is this. Like I'm fresher, I use ChatGPT for coding. Is that good for job purposes? Like I'm fresher, I use ChatGPT for coding. Is that no? ना भाई, पहले use first code by your own hands, bro. Your own hands and legs. First, try to do code practice without AI. Use AI to learn, not to write the code. After you get hang of the code that you want, then you can start to use AI. The project that you want to show in your resume, you should be able to explain each and every piece of code from that to the interviewer may ask you anything from that project. You should be able to answer that. So your resume project at least should not be generated using AI. You can take 10-20% help from AI, not 100%. If you want some project just for your use, then in that case you can use like 90-100% AI. Just decide before starting on any project how much percent of AI you want to use. 10%, 20%, 30%, that's enough. उससे ज़्यादा मत यूज करो. आपके टाइम पे जब एआई नहीं था, तब आप कैसे कोड डिबग करते थे? तभी तो सीखे हैं भाई. सी, दिस टैब इज ऑलवेज ओपन. आई यूजुअली कोड फॉर वेब ऐप डेवलपमेंट. सो यहाँ पे जाके आई कैन ऐड डीबगर्स ऑन दिस. राइट नाउ दिस इज एन मोबाइल ऐप. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट मोबाइल. या वी कैन सी दिस. सी, यहाँ पे जाने का, there is we can add a debugger over here, for example like this, and then go back and reload the application, and it will come to that point. See, debugger, and now I can go and see क्या क्या information आ रहा है, क्या आ रहा है, सही है, resolve क्या है, जो भी whatever the thing we want to test. So it shows all the information, and we can go inside that. You can see the debugging tools over here. We can skip this. Okay, set timeout. So what resolve has nothing. Then splash duration, how much is the splash duration? 1400 millisecond. You can understand while running this, debugging this, and go, and then it goes to the next page. See, this is how debugging works before AI. So this is how you should debug right now as well, because debugging is the skill that you should have in the age of Ultron, in the age of AI. गाइज लाइक करो यार, स्ट्रीम में बोल बोल के थक गया. Oh, but I know the logic. No. I know the logic is it's a bullshit logic, bro. It's a bullshit excuse to use AI. Don't. देखो, एक बार once you get good in writing the code, then you can start using AI. But before that, please don't use. Who taught you all this? हम खुद से इसी के कंपनी में जब काम करते हैं, जब गांड लगते हैं, तो इंसान सीख जाता है भाई कैसे डिबग करना है, क्या नहीं. Guys, kindly like the stream यार. You guys are like पता नहीं आज क्या हो गया. You guys are not liking the stream. I can teach you all those things, how to debug and all. Debugging is the must skill that every developer should have. चलो बंद करें. लीड कोड क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व कर ले. We have solved lead code question. We have completed the backend tasks. We have tested the application. We have done so many things today. Testing भी कर लिया. I have converted these into notion points, these issues, and I have completed this. This part is completed. Is it not editable? This point is done. Standardize this. So these 2 points are done. So let me give it this and handle this. So these 3 points are done. Mark these 3 points as done. Okay. Full stack development be extreme karo. This is a full stack development, bro. You joined late, but we did full stack development. We are doing full stack development. Yeah, this is better. So these 3 points done. These are pending. We will do this, and once we do this, then our application, I'll install this app on my phone and I'll start to use it. I'm eager to use my own app. I'm so self-centered. खुद का ऐप खुद यूज करने के लिए मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. सही बात है भैया, ये तो आपकी जो वाट लगती है तो सब करना पड़ता है. यस सर, जो वाट लगती है तो सब करना पड़ता है. चलो, आप लोग लाइक नहीं कर रहे हो तो मेरे को नहीं लगता कि आई शुड कंटिन्यू, बिकॉज लाइक गवर्न्स द स्ट्रीम्स. इफ आई एम नॉट सीइंग द लाइक्स कमिंग थ्रू, इट मीन्स यू गाइज आर नॉट एंजॉइंग इट. सो दैट मीन्स आई शुड शट द फक अप and I should leave. So आज बहुत कुछ कर लिया हमने. Thank you all for joining the stream. We have completed the Spring Boot backend का part, API refactoring, global exception handling that I always do. I want to have my APIs follow a standard pattern, and that's what I did. That is there, so that is correct. I have removed the unwanted code, which is the trash code generated by AI. So I will remove more, like thousands of lines generated by AI again, because I know that much of code is not required for just this simple application. Tomorrow I'll come and do the changes for the front end, because on the front end side I want infinite scroll, like user can scroll and newer API call will be done, and that result will be combined with the current results shown on the screen, and the list will continuously grow. So, and also the sync, I saw the sync is just syncing the first 21 records. So that is also wrong. I have to figure out the correct way, because if I sync everything, it will fail if the user base increases. So I have to figure out the in-between way. I'll think about it and I'll come tomorrow. And also lead code question we solved. I felt nice. We कल हम lead code question भी हमेशा हर एक stream में हम try करेंगे एक lead code question solve करने का. So thank you all for joining the stream. Those who haven't liked the stream, kindly like the stream. And I have made one promise today that you guys want some freshers के लिए projects, na list of projects that a fresher can pick up and do and show it in their resume. So I'll come up with a good list and I'll share with you guys. So till then, thank you, take care, goodbye. And those who haven't liked the stream, please kindly like the stream.